Yo, good morning everyone. How's everyone doing here today? Let's get started for this New York session here. I took a pre-NY trade that I'll break down real quick before we go into the top down here. So if we take a look for the pre-NY London session, we were bullish, right? We took the buys here, ended up getting stopped out at BE, no worries. But for this session here, for the pre-NY, we were like, okay, we got this pullback, and now we had a support on the 15. 15 closed nice, we closed above this beautiful line right here, right? You see we closed above. So it was a 15 onion, and we closed above here, so there was no like concern about us coming down here. 4 hour was bullish, 1 hour was bullish, everything, right? All the time frames. 30-minute was breaking its own highs, looking money, right? So it came down to create a bottom wick first, which is beautiful. So we had buy stops here on the break of the previous 15 highs. It broke those highs, and as you can see, we had clean range on this 15. I decided to go break even around that wick, or around this area here where this 15 had no top wick. That was my break even area, and then full TP was here at this line right here. I closed full. But if you had like partials, you could close partials there and then hold fulls for there. But also beautiful trade right there. So just wanted to show you guys that trade that I took off stream here for pre-NY. And now let's do this top-down analysis and see what we can get here today for gold. So monthly time frame, bullish like crazy, right? Let's remove the drawings and everything. Crazy bullish. So that's why we're still, you know, it's been working pretty well at taking these buys off support. Like just continuing, waiting for a pullback, taking buys, because gold is just on a bull run, you know. So we're just waiting until gold stops being a bull run. We're just gonna continue having this bullish bias, right? So the 4 hour here, the one in London session closed bearish. It broke the lows, but came back up. That's why we were looking for the buys, right? And now this one closed support. So what we could see here is probably a bottom wick being formed, since we don't have one on the current 4 hour. Either we can see it come down, and then we come back up and we break those highs to continue filling this wick and breaking all-time highs. Or we might actually start seeing the change here on the 4 hour. We might close below and then continue down to fill out this range, because we have clean range here to go down on the 4 hour. Even though we're so bullish, we still have clean range, and a pullback does usually make sense at this high of a range, right? So I'm not holding anyone up against these sells here as well. So I think bias is mixed. And 1 hour here, we did close support, but we have 8 minutes left, and we might actually close below this support right here on the 1 hour, indicating like we might start to come down. Let me change that color real quick. Indicating we might start coming down here on the 1 hour. 30-minute as well, same support as the 1 hour. We might close below that in 7 minutes, and if we do, I wouldn't say it's a bad sell, but I would probably wait and see what we do, because I'm not really that biased right now towards the sell. So I would probably wait for a range 2 sort of action here before I start taking sells. But buys for me right now are looking clean. Like if we do close below and drive down and we fill this area, if we do create a new support around here, buys coming back up would be nice as well. 15 looking clean. We're just consolidating a little bit. Let me open up the YouTube chat here for me, because I can't see it on Streamlabs. Let's see what you guys are putting in the chat. Let's see. And then I'll hop into Zoom in just a few minutes here as well. Join up with the boys on the Zoom call. I gotta continue to verify me every time I log in. Oh, I gotta use my phone. No way. Wait, let me just log into my Gmail here. More ways to verify. Okay, give me 1 second, chat. Let me just open it up on my W's in the chat, boys. W's. Let's put this back. Let's get the phone situated. The phone cam. Trust the phone. Should be good now. Alright, I'm gonna hop in the Zoom with the boys. And let's see what they do. Let's see what they think about gold here today.
From the upside, I like them.
Yeah, if we break the 4-hour low, we should come back down for to fill the range, or possibly even try and fill the wick.
Yeah, for some reason I feel that this daily wanna close bearish today. I don't know why I have this feeling, but this daily is not. I don't trust it to drive up till now. Like I don't like this bottom wick.
We've been pushing down pretty hard since yesterday, so
yo
maybe.
Welcome in, the Viking.
What up?
The Viking from Denmark is in.
You guys looking for what? You guys are starting to look for sales here or what?
Yeah, I like what I said. That is like basically as you see the 4-hour. We have high rejection from the upside. This candle tried to close above, it didn't. It rejected heavily. This candle opened with no bottom wick. It rejected the same highs after breaking the previous highs. If we break the lows, I think we can go and retest the supports. Yeah, and if we break below this 4-hour, sells are very clean. Look at this overextension that we have to cover.
That's also what I was saying. I was saying like you can see here the 4-hour has a very small bottom wick, so we could easily come down and create a steeper bottom wick here on the 4-hour, and we could also potentially close below.
Exactly.
And the ranges for the 4-hour are very clean to come down.
Yeah.
And then I look here at the 1-hour and 30-minute, and they both look clean if we close below that support, because the support is the same for the 30 and 1-hour.
Yeah, fully.
So yeah, but I would, for me at least, I'm gonna stay out of these cells if it does close below. I would rather see a range too, for me at least. Just because we are still very bullish on gold in general, just like technical wise it's looking good, but I'm gonna
it's looking very good. Too. Like for me it's an A+. Like I would take that every day, man. Like every day. Like give me a loss, I'm gonna take you again. Give me a loss, I'm gonna take you again.
Yep, exactly.
Give me a loss 100 times, I'm gonna take this trade 101 time. Like this trade is an A+. 90+ probability to play out for me this trade.
Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat.
Yeah, exactly. We're just 3 humans before and after the charge. In the charge, we are robots.
Yep.
We don't execute based on emotions, Malaka, nothing.
We go robot mode.
Robot mode, Malaka. You know NPCs? This mode.
We turn into an NPC. A non-player. No, we turn into the main character, Malaka. What do you mean NPC? A non-playable character.
Weren't you gonna put on the stream, the video cam, face cam?
Me?
No, yeah, Alex.
Yeah, I need to put. I don't have a face cam because my setup is like I'm sitting 4 meters away from my screen.
Okay.
So my webcam needs to be basically a very good professional camera to catch me good, and I'm waiting for a payout to go by it.
Okay.
Yeah, right now I'm using the phone, which is not the best. Like the camera's good, but utility-wise, it's not the best because sometimes I need to use my phone as well. But...
Same, Malaka, but I'm gonna open my phone now. Let's open the phone, and then if I need the phone. But it's too boring, the procedure of like opening the phone, connecting it, then going back.
Yeah, I do that during the waiting
connecting
stream.
it again.
I do all of that. But the phone camera is really good. Like it's really good. The only downside is like right now, where I'm having my phone is it's such a bootleg holder that I've made.
Yeah.
You know the tripod? I'm like curled it up to where it's balancing on the monitor and holding my phone. But somehow it works, so... You know,
that's all it matters though, bro.
Yeah.
You can just tape it.
Yeah, and it's way cheaper to use this than buying like a $200, you know.
Malaka, you are broke, Malaka, you make 2K per payout.
Like we might make a lot, but we don't spend a lot. Remember
like-
that. You want to spend below your means.
This guy is making 10K per month and he's taping his phone, man.
You always want to stay below your means. Like, you know the two lines, your income line and your spending line, you want them to be far apart.
Yeah, that's the goal. Let me try the camera, man. Like I just connected it. Let me try and open it.
So see, you're gonna have it on.
You're
Zoom?
gonna see me in 4K, man, like from an iPhone
Yeah.
16 camera. Like the quality is gonna be perfect, but
I hate the cameras on the iPhone 16. It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. The face cam I don't mind, but when you try and record something, have you noticed when the video cuts every time it changes the between the 2 or 3 cameras? Yeah, the 3 cameras. It cuts every single time, so you can't get a smooth video.
Zoom in.
man, like I'm stupid.
What did you do?
I wrote on the YouTube chat, guys, talk on the YouTube chat, but I thought that this chat was the Zoom chat and I was like confused. So I wrote on the YouTube chat, guys, write on the YouTube chat.
Right on the YouTube chat.
Guys, I'm okay. I haven't smoked anything. I'm okay. I'm okay.
But like, you remember yesterday? That was wild.
Me?
Yeah, bro.
What did I do?
Don't you remember? You're like all over the place. You almost took a trade on your XFA.
Nah, that's fine.
Well, like it was just funny. You were there was the coffee you had that morning.
I think you guys can see me. Finally, I'm back.
Let's go with
Yeah,
the,
but your cut from the stream. It pops up and out.
Yeah, this is Zoom. This is Zoom. This is Zoom. I can't do nothing about this. When I talk, it pops up, and when I don't talk, it hides.
Can't you do like you take the camera and you drag it into some spot
Nah.
on your screen?
No, it doesn't work like that, Zoom, because I'm not streaming my Zoom screen. I'm streaming from Zoom. I have Zoom Pro, so I'm streaming from Zoom.
Okay.
So it has some limitations, but I can't do anything about that because my PC cannot handle anything. Like I have a MacBook, I don't have any.
Okay.
Good
So you
streaming.
can't use like OBS or something.
No, when I use
Okay.
OBS, I lag a lot, so I prefer because I can use OBS, but whenever I put limits and stuff, it lags a lot. So I prefer my trading to be seamless.
Yeah.
On my stream. But guys, I'm back, Malaga. You have to see me for like 2 weeks, Malaga. I haven't turned on the camera.
Ghost.
Ghost mode on, but now I'm back.
Let's go. Alex Trading Reps back.
Ed, can you put me on your stream? Try it.
Okay, I'll have to figure that out because I don't know.
This guy hides me, Malaga. He doesn't show me on his stream.
Malaga, how would I put you on?
I'm kidding, of course.
Let's see here. If I change up the view, maybe.
But you can turn your camera on in Zoom and then use Zoom camera. Like you can do that with with virtual camera through Streamlabs and OBS. I'm gonna tell you after.
Yeah, but the only thing is I'm not in the Zoom with my phone. I'm on the Zoom on my computer.
And
Can I use video with Zoom?
nah, I don't think so, bro. Let me check. I don't think so. But why don't you stream Zoom? Like Zoom is better if you stream from Zoom.
But then how am I gonna stream my chart?
From Zoom.
But then I have to have my own Zoom, I think.
You need to have a separate call. You mean?
Yeah, that's true. True.
Like these are the problems that the streamer has. You see, guys, last year we had problem with how making money. Now we don't have a problem with making money. We have a problem with cameras, Malak.
Maybe I can if I
You
go to
can.
the meeting. I can share my screen, I think.
Yeah, you can share
If you
your
share
screen on this
if you
Zoom.
share your screen though, it's gonna overwrite mine.
Did it do it? I don't know. Did it?
Yeah, we did it the last time, and you overwrite mine. So if someone shares screens in Zoom, basically the stream shows your screen, not mine.
You can share your screen, but you have to pinpoint your own screen to make it stuck on your stream, though.
Cypher,
So you can choose your own stream.
Is it
Now
showing
you
both screens right now?
Yeah, I can choose between the two.
Yeah, see? So actually we can do that.
No, bro. I'm not talking about Zoom. I'm talking about YouTube. If you go and see your YouTube stream now, mine, Ed screen is on, not mine.
Okay, let me turn it off then.
I look at yeah, that's true.
It's because at the top of the Zoom, I can change from meeting to Alex's screen.
Yeah, in the Zoom meeting is fine, but the thing is that outside of Zoom it doesn't work. Like on the stream, it doesn't apply the same thing as Zoom.
Is it possible to add another tab that's my screen? You know, I don't know if you Spotlight. What is that?
Yeah, I spotlight mine, so if you share now, I think the same is gonna come.
You can spotlight your own stream. I don't think now I can choose between yours.
You can choose between mine and
yeah.
Guys, you are focused on Zoom. Focus on the stream. Zyper, go on the YouTube and see my stream. Like, do you see my screen or
exactly?
Ed's?
I see Ed's screen now, but if you can press your own screen up top,
I can't do anything. Like, there's like nothing I can do
on Zoom.
Yeah, because Zoom, like, it's the way it works.
Okay.
But we have two now, so that's at least good. We figured this out later, boys. We figured this out later.
No, I need to close your screen because you override my
I closed it.
Yeah.
Malaka, we're gonna get this breakout now. After 25 minutes.
But yeah, I think we can do something because now we have two. You just have to pick which one gets shown on the stream, on your stream, and then I can pick which one gets shown on my stream.
We need to do a stream which is gonna be unlisted, and we test out things because we don't know if we we need to test out the things before we go live.
You can make a stream on YouTube private.
And we can both be in, and so Zyper or Dennis or someone watches the YouTube stream and he tells us like, oh, it looks like that, or it looks like that.
I think I know what we can do, Alex. I think I have an idea.
But because I researched it a lot, Zoom has limitations, so whatever happens in the Zoom meeting, it's not translated the same in the live stream.
Yeah, I think I know what we can do. What we can do is we, instead of streaming from Zoom, you stream from OBS, but you stream the Zoom screen.
I can't do that, I can't.
How come?
I lag.
Okay.
I can't turn on OBS and Zoom all together. Like, I can't trade after.
He doesn't have a NASA computer.
Yeah.
Like I have.
Yeah, my computer, bro, it's a MacBook Air with M1. It's not a bad computer for trading and stuff. It's very good, but for streaming, it's not good.
Yeah, okay.
It's a computer from 97.
Nah, man, like it's
Did you buy the computer from when Alex was born? It was gifted to him.
Malaka, Zyper, things like Greece is like a living.
It's a computer made out of mud.
Malaka, what do they tell you about Greece in Sweden, Malaka? What a propaganda!
He's banging rocks together to talk to his neighbors. Nah, you should buy the computer I have. I have some great.
Alex, once you get a payout, you gotta get a good computer. So
later, boys. Later, my computer is fine now.
This computer I have only cost me like 1,200 ish.
Yeah, 1,200. Not bad.
Yeah, and it's the only thing is it doesn't support Wi-Fi, so you have to plug in the cable.
But it's good though. The LAN cable is way better than Wi-Fi anyway.
Yeah, 100%. And I don't know much about this computer, but
yeah, I have like a 2K PC at my home.
Yeah.
So like I can run anything. I can run like 2 games, stream, and everything runs fine.
Yeah, your PC is good, bro.
But you should,
Maria, welcome in. W's.
Welcome. We might. Alex
Like
might catch
Yagami,
this
I'm not
trade.
into PCs. Like I don't like. I know this RTX 4090 and stuff, but I'm just gonna buy the most best MacBook I can find. I'm
Alex,
gonna spend like $4,000.
Do you
What?
think there is?
I can't bother of me building it. I don't like Windows at all.
You know GeForce Now. You think there's something like that to where you can do it with streaming?
I need to search. I don't know, but my stream is like I found it. I found the sweet spot now for my stream, so I think I'm fine for the rest of the year.
Okay.
I'm gonna change it like when it's worth it. You know, I'm not gonna basically invest now on a better PC. Like I'm gonna wait. I want to invest in my trading now. I wanna buy accounts.
Yeah. Okay. Makes sense.
I wanna
So
reach
think-
10 accounts, and when I reach 10 accounts and I'm making 15K a month, I can go and spend. I cannot even think about the PC. I go in the shop and I ask them like, "What's your best PC? Okay, bring it to me."
Yeah.
I'm not even. I can't like. Whenever I'm shopping, I'm that guy, man. Like I can't bother of searching and.
No, yeah, I agree. Me too. When I got my PC, I just I didn't do that much research.
Yeah, whenever I buy something, I'm like, okay, what's the best? Okay, this is the best. Okay, do I have budget for this? No, so I'm gonna wait. If I can buy it, then.
I sent some
Specs.
in Zoom so you can see what type of computer I have.
I'm very
You got
bad at
the
computer specs, man. Like,
5060.
Yeah, 5060.
When did you get your computer? Like recently?
Yeah, I bought it.
That's
Yes.
why. Yeah.
Yeah,
I bought
yes.
my computer like 2 years ago, so I have the 4090.
I've had this computer for like 1 month now. It
Oh,
works
nice.
insanely good, insanely good.
Can we get a desk like a monitor showcase? Like take a picture.
yeah, do you want a
computer.
picture?
send it
Picture
on
of this.
desk setups, man. Like I send it on
Yeah.
Discord. I
Yeah,
wanna
I'm
see it as well.
gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna send a picture of.
But from an Insta post you had on your profile, I can see your setup is nice, man. Like it's cozy.
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm gonna send a picture of my computer, and then I'm gonna.
Guys, you're gonna laugh now, but Ed knows. Zyper, you don't know, and the viewers don't know it as well. But Ed knows very much. Like I didn't used to trade from my. I hate trading from my computer. I used to be like my best trading comes from the phone. I used to be a phone trader. I love trading from the phone. The only reason I have the computer on is because I stream. Otherwise, I would still trade from my phone.
Yeah.
I love it, man. Like I don't know.
I used to be in his Jeep driving around.
Yeah, like Ed was like here on his house, and I was like in the middle of the nature with my phone trading. Took
Taking
my
a trip.
Jeep, went some off-roading, and I used to trade from there, man. Like that's the point of the job, man. Like enjoy your freedom, right?
Exactly. That's the whole point. Like
The
summertime
way I
as
see
well.
it in my head, man, like it's very like weird the way I see it. Like the way I see it is like computer is not freedom because I sit on a desk, and this is what an employee would do. For me, freedom is being outside. So take my phone,
Yeah,
go anywhere I
agree.
want, and trade.
That's legit what I'm gonna do on this vacation here. Like tomorrow, I'm gonna be in the train. I'm gonna be trading from the MacBook, but when I get off the train, I'm gonna be trading from my phone.
Yeah,
But-
there's just you need to give some time for yourself for your phone because when you start, it's gonna be a bit difficult.
I know
for
how
you
to do it now. Last
Yeah,
time I
you-
went, I didn't know, but I learned that time.
Yeah,
and now I
you
know.
learned it in Greece, man. Like you trade it
Yeah.
from your phone.
Yeah, man. Like
This
I'm
guy,
there
we're
too.
driving around. We were driving from my home, let's say, to another area to go grab food. This guy traded from the passenger seat, man. Like he was like, "Bro, I
700.
made $500."
Just like that.
I was like,
on
"Bro, I
vacation.
spent $50 for gas. Pay."
Crazy times.
I sent a picture in the desk.
Alright, let's take a
Okay,
look
let's see,
here.
let's see.
Let's
It's,
see if I can put it on the screen.
Pretty much stuff on the
Oh,
on the
that's
desk.
nice. That's nice, bro. What kind of monitor is that? Is that a Odyssey?
It's a Scepter something.
It's like a big
40.
monitor. That
Yeah,
can
42
split.
inch.
Yeah,
It's crazy good, crazy good.
bro. I'm obsessed with monitors right now. Like I have the OLED monitor.
Yeah.
Or the QD OLED monitor, but I want a bunch of monitors that my wall just feels like a huge screen. I love monitors.
Yeah, this one is like high quality. You can have like more than 4K HD
Yeah. I
It's
have
like 5K something.
This is the Odyssey, Malaga. Which monitor is that?
It's the I don't know. It's a Scepter something.
Is it Samsung?
No, it's Scepter. Scepter. I don't know if you have it. It's from you know the old company MediaMarkt.
MediaMarkt, yeah, we used to, we used to have this.
So it changed to Power now. So I believe it's their own.
Their own brand.
Yeah, their own brand.
Okay.
Brand. I believe, yeah. So.
But man, the computer too. I like how it's like see-through. You have the glass.
Yeah.
You got the
Yeah, it's a nice setup, Malaga.
Yeah, I can change the lights too. So
you have like a studio mic right there. You have like stuff that you can.
Huh?
The mic.
You have like good equipment, Malaga, on your desk. Your mic is a studio mic. This is not a mic when the above the desk. Like what's that?
It's a Röde. I don't know what the Rode. You know.
Rode mic. Yeah, it's a Rode. Yeah, of course I know Rode, Malaga. What do you mean?
I've had it for like 10 years now. I bought it when I made music back in the days. So.
That's why, Malaga. That's why we listen to you like you are in a professional music studio or something, bro. You are.
Let's go.
In one.
Yeah, I used to make music back in the days.
But that's so cool. You can have two screens in one. I think that's very cool.
I told you, Ed, Malaga, we need to buy this. Like,
so
Samsung
what I
Odyssey
think I'm
for
gonna
me.
do is right now I have two monitors at home. I'm gonna have my OLED and my cheap one, and then I'm gonna have a huge one on the wall above them.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's the like. If you saw, I'm gonna send you a picture like after my dreams. Like, let me show you my dream setup, Malaga.
He asked why I have toilet paper on the desk. Well, why do you think? No. Big screen for big business.
And this is the dream, Malaga, here. Like this left picture.
Yeah, like something like that.
Yeah, this is the dream. Two Samsung Odyssey monitors, one on top of the other, bro.
Yeah, I want to buy another one of these.
Look at that, Malagas. Look at my screen. Look at that. That's amazing.
Oh, boys, like I can't wait to take these payouts and invest it into the setup.
And you can do all that kind of stuff. And also, Malaga, if you buy the same brand and the same model, like for Odyssey, you can make them one screen. So it like seamless. You have one screen basically.
You don't even need the same model. The computer can do it. Like if you go into settings, I have two different monitors, but I can make them into one on the settings.
Yeah.
Oh, the computer can do it. Okay, I didn't know that.
On my monitor, I just have everything on the same monitor. I just don't use full screen on like the browser and the zoom. I just cut them up.
Yeah.
Put them pretty much everywhere I want.
Screen, you can split it up. You can make it full screen. You can make them two individuals.
Exactly.
Nice.
And I want to buy another one.
Yeah.
Put it upside this one, or if I'm getting a bigger desk, I'm gonna put them beside one another so I can have like a big curved screen, so I can like play games on the right side and trade on the left. So I wanted this wide screen just because I want to be able to look back on the charts when I'm doing my analysis and stuff. But the thing is, I don't even use all that space because that's too far back.
More than enough, Malaga. More than enough space.
Yeah, it's more than enough. So yeah, I'm happy.
I might take these buys if we close above that resistance. That resistance for me, it's a tradable range here, 68 to 68.
Yeah, I mean we closed like celery, so
might use 11 minutes for that 30 candle.
Yeah. I like that. Let me check. Let me double check. Make sure it's a 1-to-1 though.
Right now, for me, I don't see anything in the near future. I'm waiting for 9:30 for like a nice breakout.
15 looking shocked.
Malaga, these buys are very tight for me. These buys are very tight. Like 66 for 66 max.
Like right now in this range is the range of death for me. I'm not trying to touch.
No, like I don't call my range a range of
That's just for me. That's just for me. Like my setups.
gold is just for Ed, like I don't take that personally. Gold is beautiful range. You have beautiful range.
15 looking chopped though.
Yeah.
But the thing is, if we can have a breakout above
that resistance on the 15.
41.50,
We pumping.
Yeah,
we should be able to buy all the way back
there is
up.
clean range above that, which is like 70 pip clean range.
Yeah, but the thing is, we can flip a bearish really quick because look at the 4 hour.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I'm
we
just
can.
gonna wait for either a breakout above or a breakout or a range 2 sells.
Yeah.
Either or a buy off support if we bleed.
Kala, you can also guys wait for the 4-hour closure, because if this 4-hour closure closes above, you are gonna have a direction and it's gonna close above before NYC, so the volume should come after and then you see the
Oh,
move.
we're getting some volume in here. You see that?
Yeah, like it, like the breakout below for sales, it's magic if you take it. Oof, oof.
I don't think you need a range 2 for sales. If we re-break the 4-hour lows.
No, I'm totally okay with taking. Like, if we break these lows, bro, we are
It's
gonna
pretty
go.
clean. We have like 150 pips.
I'm just waiting for the price to hold, because if we break these lows, I hope for price not to bleed.
Yeah.
I hope this price like gives a breakout, breaks the 4-hour lows, but holds the level on the 30 for us to take the sell, because if we bleed.
Yeah. Can you explain what you are looking for a breakout? How you are executing the breakouts? And
Basically, it's if you see my stream, I'm gonna draw it on the stream.
Yeah, draw it.
So basically, let's say this candle closes below, so I'm gonna draw this candle like that. So let's say this candle closes like that, okay?
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah,
much.
so we have a breakout then. So okay, I'm fine with sell. So what I'm gonna have then is gonna, like, this is the breakout zone here, exactly this red line. Now it's the breakout zone.
Yes.
So I'm gonna come in this red line which I have, and I'm gonna put my sell limit. My sell limit is gonna tap perfectly this candle here, the zone. So
Okay.
Have a sell limit here. So when price opens up here, it's gonna come up, retest that area, probably go in a bit of drawdown, reject this zone, and then bleed. So
Okay,
this is gonna be my trade. And I'm targeting only as 1-to-1, so my stop is gonna be above here, and my target is gonna be 1-to-1.
Nice. So basically on the retest of the breakout range.
Yeah, but
that's
not
gonna be
on
your
any,
entry.
like, if this candle came up, retested here and bled, I wouldn't take it. I want the retest to be perfectly on the zone that we broke out, because I know price action wise, a good week should come and retest zones. Like a week, in order to consider it good, it needs to retest. Like if it bleeds from here, I don't consider that a retest. Like I don't see that as like a natural price action, so I'm not executing there. I just need the perfect retest of the zone.
So if this candle closes just like this, do you execute on the retest now too? Or do
I
you
need the breakout to be clear. Like if we close like we are now, yes, then yeah. But if we close like right at support, then no. I need the breakout to be clear for me not to zoom the chart. Like I shouldn't zoom the chart a lot to see the breakout. If like the breakout is clear, I'm gonna take it. If the breakout in a normal chart is like not visible, then no, it's not a breakout to me.
So basically, if it is a clear breakout, it doesn't matter how far away the candle have breakout from.
It matters. It matters. It matters. Like if we close, like let's say we close here, that's why I did the candle like that, because if we close here, let's say this candle closes here, at the bottom of the range.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
not looking
the range
for anything because we cleared the range, but let's say this candle closes like in the middle of the range. Let's say this candle closes in the middle. So it's gonna be a bit overextended. Then I'm gonna wait for the new opening. If the new opening of the candle comes down first and grabs lows, then I'm deleting the sell limit. But if this candle opens up and comes straight up to retest, then I'm holding the sell limit, because I can take advantage of this impulse move now here within this week.
Okay.
So like 50% of the range is fine, but like once you fill most of the range, then you
I don't have an issue with the percentage of the range. Like 80% of the range is fine for me. I just need to see a natural price action after. Like if we close, let's say we close 80% of the range, we close here, right? 80% of the range fill. If next candle opens and goes down, then I'm deleting, because we are rejecting supports. But if next candle opens up and comes straight up, retests, and the stops are good for me. Like it makes sense. It's not like I have 10 pip stops for 80 pips. Like you know what I mean? Like I need the stop loss to be balanced. If the stop loss is there, for example, yeah, I would have my sell limit and my take profit would be here, you know, like inside the range basically. So then it's a high probability setup for me because I know price usually taps that zone, does a quick swish down, taps my target and then goes bullish again. So I'm okay with taking that risk, but only if I see a natural opening, like I want to see perfect price action.
Yeah.
But this candle, if it closes there, like it is now, it's the perfect thing for me. Like,
yeah.
If we close like that now, it's perfect if you hold it like 5 minutes for this closure.
And the entry point is always going to be the retest of the range, yeah.
Yeah, on the pip though, you need to be very precise with your entries because I'm catching one-to-ones and I've seen many times that the price, it needs to give the perfect retest because if you get activated a pip below the perfect retest, price can drive up to 0.9 RR and then flip bullish and stop you out. So you're gonna miss your target by 1 pip.
Yeah.
So you need to be very precise with your entry to catch one-to-ones because many of my trades, if you've seen on my streams as well, like it taps target to the pip and then it goes up.
Okay.
We're getting that 4-hour bottom wake right now.
Very precise. Yeah, we got for that. Like my thing is not to fill the range because volume is gonna come now. We need to pull back now. We need to pull back. Don't fill that range. Like I'm gonna put a rocket soon, Gold. You are too offensive today. Too offensive.
Gold is moving crazy.
I told you, man. Like I don't talk bad about the gold. He talk offended now. But
like,
if we pull back now, it's
bad,
perfect. If we pull back, we have a weak fill on the next candle. It's perfect.
Yeah, I see.
It's perfect.
Making money.
After breaking the 4-hour low, like, guys, if you have money spare, like, send it to me. I'm gonna risk it for you. Sell your houses. This move is gonna make you money.
Full margin this move.
If we get this move, I'm gonna take it with me.
You see, Malaga, now I have my camera on. I cannot see the YouTube chat, Malaga. I need to open the YouTube. And this guy's talking the YouTube chat. I saw nothing, Malaga. Where have I left the chat? Yeah, 4090 way better than MacBook. Malaga, I'm Apple fan. Don't talk bad about MacBooks, Malaga. Steve Jobs is my dad.
1490. Oh, Malaga.
This sounds like a Harry Potter movie, Malaga. 4,900 spec. Exactly, Dennis. I love to spend money. I love to spend money for my Steve Jobs dad, Malaga. I love
Steve
this
Jobs
guy.
dad.
Yeah, this is my daddy, Malaga.
Oh, why is my win rate? Let me update the record. My win rate is wrong.
Yagami Dennis owns stop steps, bro. He trades earning accounts, you can imagine.
Ed, on your stream, on your YouTube stream chat.
Yeah.
Dennis, clip the breakout, Malaga. It's a good idea from Zyper. Clip the breakout, and then we upload it after the trade.
Yeah, your stream chat. You should change the background.
Okay.
To like black or something.
It's very difficult to see the chat. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Malaka, you guys told me to change it to this.
I told you, Malaka.
Malaka, you told me that was good, and now.
No, I told you like it's nice. I like the aesthetics, but it's not visible. You need to make it like less transparent, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I'll make that.
Or the text more like bold.
You guys really think black background?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Black is the best. Black.
Say less.
Malaga, this thing is gonna bleed. Pull back, gold. Pull back. I need to put the rocket in.
So basically, when if someone looks at the stream, you can always see the chat.
The chat, yeah.
Yeah.
Say less. It's gonna be easy.
Let's see if we close nice. 1 minute for the closures. 1 minute.
Limit sell 10 contracts on GC chart.
10 contracts, Malaga. This guy is trusting my strategy a lot.
Yeah, I just learned it. Let's go.
10 contracts, full margin.
But does the
There
entry
you go.
have to be straight on the line, or can you put it like 2 pips below the line?
No, straight on point to the line. You're gonna see where my line is. You need to put straight on point, like you're gonna see mine.
Okay, so
You guys see it now? Is it better?
I'll see. Yeah, it
I
looks
don't
like
see your stream, but
better. I'm gonna try and type something.
There you go. Oh,
See if it pops up.
we just need this next candle to
Yeah,
open
yeah,
the
way
weakness
better.
let
first.
me make it to where it doesn't go on top of me.
Okay, 15 seconds. I'm putting it slowly. You see Zyper like to the pip.
Yeah, to the pip.
Let's see if we see the volume. We need the retest first. We need the candle to just come up first. Don't break lows. If you break lows, gold, I'm not buying it.
Oh! If I type a really big message, my W's,
They go outside.
yeah, they go outside.
I can change that like that. But I don't know, how does it look if I do this? Does it look weird or is it fine?
Perfect. If gold wants to come up and retest, Zyper, you put your limit set.
Yeah, my limit set is out.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Is that better?
yeah, pretty much.
Okay, perfect. Chat is set up.
I believe my W's to the right is cutting off in half though. I don't know. It's maybe just me.
Dennis, prepare your guns, Malaka. You are about to clip a trade.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
Come on, we need the retest. Come on, gold. I know you can do it. You can do it like 5-second retest and then 5-second target and we're gone. 10-second trade.
Retest.
You can do it. Do it.
And you don't even need it to come all the way back down.
Do it for the tribe. Yeah, exactly.
It's like 74 pip stops and then, yeah.
It's 74. It's 95, bro.
So basically, how do you manage
like I'm
your?
looking at the 15, that's why.
Yeah, it's 95 pip stops. But like I got confused. I was like, I'm risking little.
Yeah, there you go. So yeah, it's like almost a flip.
How do you manage your TP? I mean, if we broke out this far, do you have your full TP back on the previous candle, or do you want it to fill the whole range?
No, I'm targeting 1-to-1s, I told you. So whenever the 1-to-1. So now my 1-to-1 is 95 pips. So it's here. Like my
Okay.
full TP is like, but we are deleting now. So delete your limits.
Okay.
Good idea, but no retest. Like this is the thing with my strategy. Like you're gonna see that you're gonna put a lot of sell limits. We're gonna delete. If you remember Nick 2 years back, he used to put a lot of buy stops and he deleted.
100%.
Now it's not a good setup. Like now the range is filled. So sells idea gone, out, gone.
Now, this is setting up good for me at least, for the onion.
Yeah, for the audience, it's gonna set nice. If you see a support, Malaka, it's gonna be an onion week. Like I'm not gonna trade trades this week, Malaka. You guys are taking massive wins.
The onion day.
Onion.
And yesterday, like on the bank holiday, I would have 4 wins, Malaka, and it was a bank holiday and I didn't trade it.
Yeah, I remember yesterday he was sample sizing the trades.
I took a trade in London yesterday.
Nice. Yeah, I stayed out because I wasn't sure if it was like a proper bank holiday or what it was, but...
No, I learned a lesson yesterday. My lesson is like, I learned a huge lesson yesterday. It was a blessing for me yesterday, Malaka. The bank holidays that are not closed for, like yesterday, NYC and Nasdaq was open. Like all the trading activity was open. So for me, this bank holiday, I'm not gonna consider the bank holiday. Like for me, bank holidays are like when basically banks are shut down, everything is shut down. Because yesterday was a lot of volume in the market and for breakouts, really good volume as well. Like it worked very nicely.
Yeah, I continue breaking out to the upside.
Bro, I would make $1,000 yesterday in one day. Like that was 4 wins in a row. It would be like the best day on stream ever, like a 4 days, 4 wins.
I know I've been on bank holiday too.
Yeah,
This is a good. This is a good thing with trading. You know, a loss, it's a lesson. You know.
Yeah.
So every time you don't make money or you lose money, that's a lesson. You can find ways to make it better next time.
So yeah, chat, this is setting up very nice for onion. If we close above that support, and then 9:30 we close onion, it's gonna be money though. An onion for 9:30. What more can you ask for?
Yeah, even if we close celery on this one, we might have that inverted celery. Yeah.
For 9 a.m.
Exactly.
It's looking money.
So volume start kicking in at 9 a.m. So
Yeah, exactly.
9:30 is just way better though. But exactly, just like this. If we can close just like this, so that's a perfect.
I see the vision. I see the vision, and I will execute on it if I get the.
But the best setup I believe would be if we come down and fill the wicks on the 4 hour and then close above 41.27, and then we get the onion or something like that.
The more down we come, the better.
Yeah, 100%.
The more down we come, the better. It's like if we come down 200 pips, now we have 200 pips more of clean range to come back.
Yep. Yep.
So I would love for gold to continue down actually. And then 9:30, I would love to see an onion be formed. So we still have plenty of time. We have like 25 minutes left for this 30 to close. So the further down we close, the better. As long as we just don't close in the middle of nowhere, I would like to see it close near support. So any of the supports, like, you know, in this area, if we close, the further down we come, the better, but just close like above a support.
Dennis, clip that idea that I'm planning now, bro. Clip that idea you're gonna see in 2 hours, you're gonna play out. Clip it. Bullish closure, bearish closure. This is the setup I'm looking at. This is a 90+% win rate setup. Look.
The eye of Ra.
This is the double trouble, Malaka. This is not eye of Ra.
It's 3 candles though, right? Bullish, bearish, bullish.
Malaka, if, like, what am I drawing on the chart? Like, I don't even... Boom. We take buys. Boom. We bump.
Boom.
Clip that. Price is gonna do exactly that. I know price. Clip it, take a screenshot.
If that doesn't happen, he owes everyone on the stream $100.
I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes.
Thank God we haven't grown yet, Malak. This is the idea now, so patience, like we need at least an hour for this idea. So guys, I hope you take your onion, but if you don't take it, I'm gonna take my breakout.
Yeah, like I hope we get both. I hope we get the onion and then
It's difficult to get both, because if you get the onion, it means I'm gonna miss my entry though.
Well, maybe we get the onion and then the volume doesn't kick in, and then we get like a celery, and then you get
Yeah,
in.
let's see.
But if that were to happen, we would be in the trade for like an hour plus. Maybe the onion plays out and then it comes back down and closes bearish or something.
Yeah, let's see, because yeah, it's also possible. Let's see if we get a trade today.
Yeah.
I don't bother if I don't get a trade, it's fine. If I get a trade, it's fine also. Like, I don't bother.
Yeah, we already took one on one account here, so I'm gonna only trade on the other one. I took a W on one account. Now it's time for the other account to get some love.
Malaga. This account feels FOMO. You missed out on this account. Take care of it.
It's time to revenge trade.
But that was simple, you know, putting a sell limit, no activation, then delete, nothing, no thinking, you know, just flowing with price.
Just executing.
If price doesn't want to give you the entry, it's fine. It's gonna give you the next.
No thinking, just execute.
The best trader is the patient trader. If you wait for your best setup, then you are gonna become profitable. If you try to take any setup, then you are bound to learn the hard way. You see now I'm hungry, I want to order food and I can't because I have my camera on.
Well, you can't eat on camera.
This camera makes me diet. No, I can't order because I need my phone to order from.
Ah.
Because if I go here, oh, my address is gonna pop up.
Oh my god, don't do that. You can't open like a different tab or something to where.
Yeah, I can. But then I need my phone to pay by card, so what's the point?
Ah, okay. Just put in your card information on stream.
Everything. Let me log into my bank, see how much money I've got. Oh, bearish closure, too much bearish momentum. It makes sense after breaking the 4-hour lows. It makes sense for this to bleed. You know, if we close above on this 4-hour though in 1 hour and 20 minutes, we can take some advantage with the double trouble with buys for the 4-hour top week. Or then if we don't get this, a 4-hour sell, like with the 30-minute breakout. Although we are very choppy on this 30-minute. Up to here, up to that line here, we are very choppy. We are clean below, but after that.
It's looking money right now. I like, the more we come down, the better.
Yeah, it's looking much better for buys than sells. Like now for me, sells are gone out of the roof.
Yep.
There's no point in you taking, like it's also very choppy. If you see, we have many supports here in many weeks. So a lot of rejection from that range is, so, I don't know. I wouldn't take sells within that range.
It's really nice for the onion today. It's pretty much an onion day today. I took in 2 trades here today. One in London, one for NY, both onion.
Yeah, Malak, you are becoming vegan with gold, Malak.
I'm becoming an onion eater.
Mm.
Like one day, when we get 10K payout, I'm gonna eat a raw onion on stream.
At the same time that you are gonna close an onion trade on your PC.
Yeah. With making 10K profit.
Or Malaka, we can start another challenge. Every time you lose an onion trade, you need to eat an onion live on camera.
Oh, no, that's
whenever you win the onion, we need to eat 1 onion. So because you have a positive win rate, we are gonna eat a lot of onions possibly.
You wanna do that?
No, Malaka, what am I? Like if you bring me back test and you prove to me that you have 20% win rate on the onion, then yeah. But if you bring me data and you're like, Alex, I have 90% win rate, then bro, by all means, go with your onions.
90% of the time you're gonna be
I don't want to join. I don't want to join.
I'll be like, Alex, get the onion ready. I'm entering a trade.
No, like, there are not gonna be so many onions in the supermarket for me to buy it, but like.
That'll be fun.
Eating an onion raw.
We should have a setup called a chili. The chili setup. That should be your double trouble. It should be the chili. So every time you take a W, I eat a chili. When you lose, you eat a chili.
You're up for that? I'm up for it.
No.
Have a positive win rate, don't forget, Malek.
Yeah, I know.
You need to know that 8.5% of 10 trades, you need to eat a chili, basically. If you agree on that bet.
For me, instead of calling it the onion, I'll call it the
steak.
No, man, like every time I lose, you eat a steak. Or every time
either me or you are becoming poor, because imagine eating a steak every time you lose. Like.
Let me try and think. What is a food you would not want to eat?
That I don't want to eat.
Yeah.
Durian fruit.
Ah, man, like, don't be a pussy. That fruit is easy.
Nah, man, like it stinks. What do you mean it's easy?
Nah, it's not that bad. I've tried it before. It's not bad.
Okay, try what
chili
else?
is way worse than a durian.
No, man, like I love chili. Okay, I found it.
I know.
I found it.
Maggot cheese.
Clove of garlic.
I love that, Malaka.
Nah, bro, like, come on.
It's easy. You know what? A whole ginger, like raw.
Yeah, and then we are dead, Malaka. We're gonna be red. Malaka, we're gonna sweat.
That's way worse. I can eat a clove of garlic, but a bite of raw ginger, oof.
Clove of garlic burns, Malaka. It's not easy.
I don't know. I'm used to it. I love garlic. Garlic.
And
is
then our
like-
girlfriends are gonna come in house and they're gonna be disgusted, Malaka, of our mouth is gonna smell like oof.
Nah, man, like we do the ginger. So instead of calling it the onion, it's not a ginger.
The ginger setup.
You eat a ginger every time I win,
Okay, bet, Malaka.
and then I eat a chili every time you win. Oh.
Malaka, we are gonna die. It's it's basically Malaka who is gonna die faster. Because both of us are dying with that deal, but if you are lucky to stand second, you can stop the deal.
Yeah. 15 minutes left here on the 30. Not looking bad.
15 minutos. We are breaking below that range as oh my god. 15 has a clean range though. These 30 weeks have become clean range on the 15.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm excited for my wisdom tooth to heal, Malaka, because I'm gonna be eating so much food. I think honestly I've lost like 5 kgs. I haven't been eating anything.
Yeah, Malaka, chickens are happy, Malaka, without you.
Malaka, I haven't eaten a single chicken. All I've been eating is yogurt and soup. Straight liquid diet. But I had a really, really good pumpkin soup.
Yeah, pumpkin soup is lovely, bro.
Oh my God, I'm looking for my phone and it's my camera. I was gonna send you guys a picture.
Pumpkin soup is fire. You know what I ate yesterday? Yesterday I ate some sushi.
Nice. I love sushi.
I probably ate like 60 pieces of sushi on my own, Malaka.
I think there was one time, me and my friends, we broke a record at an all-you-can-eat sushi place of the most people eating sushi.
Did they pay for your bill or did they ask for you?
No. It was just like, so this is the story behind it. They had like, to where whoever could eat the most sushi got a picture of them on the wall. But then when we got there, the challenge was already done, right?
Okay.
But we did it anyway, and we counted, and we did 260 plates, and the people who won was 250, so we did like 10 more.
Both of you or per person?
4 people.
Ah,
Malaka, we were held back. It was me and one of my friends. We ate it all, and then 2 other guys barely ate. One guy ate like 10 plates, and he was done.
It makes sense. No wonder why.
So it was me and another guy. We were both, just eating it all.
You know, there's a trap with sushi because you might feel you are eating small amounts of sushi, but the rice amount is large.
Yeah, and it's gonna make
So you get full quickly, and
Yeah,
you might order, like for me, every time I order sushi, I order too much because I'm hungry, and then
You get full
manage
fast.
it all. And then I'm
Because
like,
the meat
oh, I don't like
is
throwing
expensive.
food, so I did it, and then I'm feeling full.
If you just ate the meat, you would be able to eat way more food.
Yeah, of course, bro. Like much more. If you ate only the fish, like, what do you mean? Like probably 200 pieces per person, like.
That's why when I go to like all-you-can-eat sushi places, I don't get the sushi. I get sashimi, and then I get like the lamb and the chicken, and I get like all of that stuff. I don't.
I love sushi though, bro. That's sushi for me. Is
I like sushi, but I only get a little bit of it, so I don't get full from eating that.
I like steak.
I love it.
I
love
like
fish.
steak.
Yeah, fish in general, but
Steak. You know what I really like? A nice meat stew, like ossobuco or something like that, like stewed up to where it's like buttery soft.
Yeah, man, like,
That's
this is
so
a winter
good.
food, man. Like, it needs to be cold outside.
Yeah, it's about to be that time.
I love bamboo beef.
What's that?
It's like some Chinese food. I believe it's like beef and some bamboo in like
yeah,
a
I've had that
stew.
before.
Yeah.
It's like,
Bamboo, yeah, the tree, yeah.
Yeah, bamboo beef. It's and it's like with yeah, I don't know.
I thought
it's
you,
really
I
good.
thought you like it was a certain type of beef called
Let
bamboo
me,
beef.
No,
let me
no.
search it, man. Like a bamboo beef.
It's like marinated beef, right? With bamboo
Yeah.
and yeah, I've tried that before.
Yeah, that one to the anyone.
Beef steak with oyster sauce and bamboo shot.
Yeah, pretty much. So good. If you buy it at some Thai restaurant or something, so good. Nothing beats it. It's the best food I've ever eaten.
The best food you have ever eaten and you don't know it because you haven't eaten it. You need to ask Ed about that. Souvlaki is the best food, man.
That, bro, the Slovakia meat, it's incredibly soft. I didn't expect it to be that soft. It's
Yeah,
like,
I haven't tried Wagyu yet. I want to try it, but I don't know.
No,
I-
we're
I-
not talking about Wagyu, man. Like, we're talking about souvlaki, Greek
it's
souvlaki.
lamb,
Oh,
it's
okay.
lamb.
Okay.
Minced
Gyros.
lamb on a steak.
Gyros is very good.
Yeah.
What do you like more, gyros or doner?
What's doner? What's
Like,
doner?
shawarma.
That's the question, man. Like, what's doner? Like, what's doner, Ed?
Yeah,
We only know about the gyros.
I don't know. I like my meat more to the chewy side. You know, I don't want it to melt in my mouth. I want to be able to bite in my meat.
Yeah, I've heard that from many. I like it. I like blood.
If
Blood.
if
Yeah,
I want,
I like medium rare. I like to see blood in the steak.
Oh,
yeah.
No, yeah, like steak wise, I like medium as well, but like generally, like I would rather have a softer meat for me than a chewier meat.
Yeah, same.
I don't want it too chewy.
I love to see my P&L green and my steaks red.
I don't want it too chewy. But I still want to feel
Yeah, of course, like
the
have some
chewiness.
juice. Not like it just completely dissolves in your mouth, like. But yeah,
I
know what
like
you mean.
butter stuff, but like I like my steak to be butter.
Like I like a lean piece of meat that's not chewy.
Yeah.
Because the fatty pieces of meat, they're definitely not gonna be chewy. They're buttery, but it's so fatty that it's like you can't eat that much.
It's
Like
gross.
Wagyu, it's just fat. It's just like pure fat almost.
Pretty much, and that's why I don't think I'm gonna like Wagyu. I like to chew my food, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I want to feel like I'm getting food, not water. I want to chew my food, not drink it.
Man, like my girlfriend did a mistake and left food in the house. Maria, are you in?
It's time for a lesson.
It's time for another loss.
Are you gonna eat it, Malaka?
I'm thinking about it, some rice, bro, but I don't like plain rice.
Eat it on stream in front of her. This is what happens.
I'm so hungry.
Need food for
Yeah,
a
I
hungry
am
man.
very hungry as well. I was thinking of eating like a rice, tomato, cheese, and dates. This is only thing I have in house right now.
I'm gonna go make my wife make food for me. I'm a puncher or something.
Oh
Make a
my God.
sandwich.
No. Yeah, make me a sandwich.
No. All jokes.
Yeah.
Respect the woman. Respect the
Yeah.
women, Malaga. Without women, we are nothing, Malaga. No man evolves without the women.
I couldn't have made it this far without my wife.
Yeah, I respect the
100%.
women, Malaga. Like basically, that's why I disagree with the modern like things, because like basically I like how old days were. You know, everyone in the society has a role. Women have a role and they are very important. Men have a role and they are very important. And each one of them is putting work for the couple's purpose. You know, so like
Exactly.
everyone is working low-key, and behind every successful man, there is always a more successful woman on the behind the scenes. You know, like.
Exactly.
a strong man is a strong woman. So it's like if you play chess, it's like the king and the queen basically. Your queen, you need to protect it, and your queen needs to protect you. But you are protecting the queen, and the queen provides to you.
We are equal in different ways.
Exactly. But we are equal and like same respectful. You know the hustle that. Because these women, Malaka, pass through a lot of harsh times when they make a kid, for example. We couldn't do that. And it's very important because without a woman, where is going to be your kid? You know, you have no kid. So respect the woman, Malaka, not this modern stupid stuff that woman can do it independently or men can do it independently. No, bro. Like, you see where society is going, Malaka, and because of that, because we lost character, Malaka.
Look at what's happening to the men and the kids. Like, the men are starting to become like women.
We lost our values, bro. We lost our values. We lost our values. And the male thing is getting attacked right now. But this is another conversation, not for YouTube. But unfortunately, we can't have that conversation here. But men are like losing a lot of power right now, and it's their fault. It's not women's fault, bro.
Embrace the masculinity.
Yeah, unfortunately. Malaga, we are living in a so weird society that you are afraid of saying that phrase on YouTube, like embrace masculinity can be banned from YouTube. You know, we can get shadow banned because of that, and this is a natural thing. It's crazy.
Exactly.
But we ain't scared of the system. The system is
Let the stream grow a bit. Let the stream grow a bit.
Yeah.
Because then we can take the people from the stream and we can go and say these things to them on Zoom, and we can coach right, because we are gonna have people. But if YouTube shadows ban us from now, then we are cooked.
Yeah.
4 minutes left here.
Yeah.
Malakes, I'm gonna close my camera. I need to order some food. Come on, like, guys, you know my face. You know I'm beautiful. It's the same thing always on the stream, so you guys know me.
Very
the
beautiful.
Camera turns off and Alex takes off all the makeup.
I'm gonna tell my wife to make me a sandwich now. I'll be back.
Bro, I wish I could eat right now, but my wisdom tooth pain is so bad that I don't even want to eat.
Like, I'm gonna eat for you now. I'm that hungry now.
Yeah, order double.
I'm gonna eat for you, and I'm gonna tell you you're fine.
Put it on the camera. I need to see you eat it for me to feel like I'm eating it.
I'm gonna turn the camera on again after. Malaka, Yagami, you see so many details, Malaka. Yagami saw this toilet paper that Zyper has on the screen.
Yagami is the detail man.
Yeah, Malaka, he looks everything. Why do you have toilet paper on your computer screen?
There's not a single thing Yagami won't miss. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. You like that it's closing below because we might get a fake out on the next 30, right?
Yeah, but there's also the support here as well that we're closing above. So we're like faking out this and closing below here. But I would like for the support candle to close above that range. Like this one right here for the bias. So the 930 candle close above that is looking money.
Looking money.
Money, money, money. I smell it. I smell money. Ah!
Oh, Malaka, the smell of money is so good. Ah, I can smell them too, bro. Woo.
The trade. Oh, what a beautiful day, too.
I want a day, Malaka, that I'm gonna close like $1,000 trade like Friday, green PNL, and then I'm gonna eat a rebuy, and then I'm gonna post the story. I like my PNL green and my stakes red, Malaka. I don't know. I feel that this is
today, Malaka.
Yeah, it might be today, tomorrow, like it's gonna be.
Today. You will get that green PNL right now. But you have to risk 1K though.
Yeah, I'll risk it for the biscuit, Malaka.
Risk it for the Insta.
Risk it for the story.
Risk it for the story, boys.
And if we don't get it,
we don't post it.
Yeah, we don't post exactly, Malaka. You know the drill, bro.
We already know. We post the Lambos and the trades that we take.
Exactly. We post some good cars, some good trips, and then a few wins, and you're got it, bro. You're a coach. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go rent a Lambo for the day and do it. And then tomorrow, when everyone asks where's my Lambo, I'm gonna say it broke up. Like it's for service. It's for service.
I crashed it. I'm gonna buy a new
Oh,
one
but like I
tomorrow.
had a crash yesterday with my Lambo.
I sold it because I don't want it no more. I'm too rich.
But
for it.
Alex, why it was red and now it's yellow? I changed the color. You know me.
I change the color every day.
Yeah, I'm
I
getting
even
bored of
changed the
color.
model.
Nick reposted Zyper's story.
Let's go. Cypher, I don't know if I follow you. I'll have to follow you after the stream.
Yeah, I didn't follow him, and I followed him now as well, like yesterday.
I'll have to do that after because my camera. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. I am back.
Welcome back, bro. Okay, I'm reading this post now. It says, the king asked artist, paint me peace. What he chose shocked everyone. So the first artist painted a calm lake under a blue sky, serene, predictable. The second painter, he painted a quiet valley of flowers, still gentle and beautiful. And then the third painter came and painted, and it showed complete chaos, lighting spitting on the sky, winds raging, a waterfall crashing on jagged rocks. But hidden behind the waterfall, on a fragile branch, a small bird sat quietly. She was nesting, calm, unshaken, even when the storm raged around her. And the king pointed to that painting and said, this is true peace. Peace is not found in the absence of chaos, it is found within it. Life will always storm, but strength is the calm you carry inside. Malak, I like that a lot.
I agree. Like it's like you can't really find anything without like going through the challenges. It's like you can't find strength without having to go through the challenges it takes to become strong. Like,
Yeah, exactly,
you will never
bro.
become strong if you don't, go through tough times. You have to go through those things and find that peace or strength or whatever it is you're looking for within that toughness, because it's not going to get handed to you. For example,
exactly.
if you pray for patience, you're going to get tested with it. It's not just going to come like that, boom, now you're patient. No, you're going to have stressful times. You want to be a patient person, you're going to get met with stressful people, stressful things, and you have to learn to be patient within those times. And that's a true person who is patient.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, bro, in order for you to become strong, you don't wake up one day and you are like strong. You need to pass through challenges which are gonna make you strong. And also it's like the saying that I asked God for peace and it gave me problems. I asked God for wisdom and it gave me problems. I asked God for like to break my habit, and he told me, I'm not gonna break your habit, you will get rid of it. You need to do the stuff and you need to follow the plan and you pass through the challenges. There's no other way around.
You always have to go through something. Like you can't just, it's easy to be peaceful in a peaceful environment.
Of
right?
course.
It's easy to be happy at happy times.
And
But
it's
if you
very
want
easy
to-
also to fake your environment, you might, everything might be chaotic around you and you might fake the environment and you are like, okay, I'm peaceful, but it's fake and it's not gonna last.
And another thing too is like it's easy to be happy in happy times, but it's not easy to be happy or positive when things are hard. You don't have any money in the account. No one is near you. You're all alone. You're struggling on food. Are you still gonna be happy at those times? And those are the times that matter.
Yeah, it's like
a person who can be happy during that is a person who can be happy no matter what.
Yeah, it's like what I say, Malaka, and what I say a lot to my friends also is like you don't need to find God at your highest point, because you know you need to feel blessed and find God at your lowest, and you need to appreciate life at your lowest in order for you to be able to appreciate it also at the highest. Because if you made $1 million today from trading, but you were unhappy before, your money is not gonna bring you any happiness. You are gonna be the same sad person again, but with money.
Exactly.
And it's more dangerous for you to be sad with money because you can make
stupid
more
stuff.
severe mistakes with money than
If you
without
lose that money, you're gonna be 10 times sadder than you were before.
Yeah, and this is the risk of suicide and stuff you see around.
That's why you saw 2,000 people killed themselves after this crash. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah, because they made the money overnight, bro, and they don't feel they deserve the money, so they are very scared of losing the money, because then their God is not God, it's money.
Mm-hmm.
And they are basically...
And they sacrifice themselves to that.
Yeah, because you sacrifice yourself to God, and I choose to sacrifice myself for Jesus. They chose to sacrifice themselves for money.
The devil's money, bro.
Exactly. So the devil is gonna come back and take your money back. And how are you gonna react? Are you gonna feel blessed that you at least had the chance to take a bit of money, or are you gonna, like, you know? And these guys are suiciding, and sad. It's very sad, Malaka, because life is a blessing. Nothing is more important than your life. It's like what you said yesterday. Got me thinking, because I said something about the trader, you know, and you said no, and it got me thinking, you know, like, yeah, life is the most precious gift, and nothing.
We've been talking about is that if you are able to make that money, if someone were to take that away from us right now, we would be able to get right back to it. We
you have the skill, bro.
To do exactly. So if we were to say, if I had $1 million and I lost $1 million, I would know exactly what to do to get that $1 million right back. I wouldn't
exactly
at all.
Exactly, because you might be sad because you lost it, but you know how to make it back.
Exactly.
You might know that it's hard to make it back, but you know how to. So you need time, and you need, because you know how to do it. You know, if now you took a random buy and you made 50,000, you don't know how you did 50,000. You don't know the way to make it again. So the next time you are gonna press the button, you are gonna be scared of losing the money, and if you lose it, you are gonna be very depressed, and that's because you don't know what you're doing, basically. You're not following any plan, you're just following money. Money does poof to you and you fall, you know, like it's...
Yeah.
Money is not that important in life, not that important. Nothing is more important than you and...
Yeah, nothing is more important than the most beautiful gift you can have been given, and that's life. You know how rare it is to even be born. It is such a rare
Bro, you know that the probabilities of you winning the lottery are higher than of you getting bored.
Opposite.
No, the probabilities of you winning the lottery is higher than you getting born.
Like the probabilities of winning, right?
Yeah, for you to win the lottery, it's higher probability.
It's easier to win the lottery than to be born.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like statistically proven. Statistically, like this is not like my opinion or yours. It's like
it's like 1 in a trillion or something.
Yeah. It's facts. So we're all lucky to be here, and we should.
So you basically won the lottery, man. Like me, you, Zyper, everyone, Dennis, Yagami, everyone, Maria inside. Like I don't know who we have. Everyone won the lottery basically.
No, we won like something way harder than the lottery.
Exactly. So you are even more lucky than a lottery winner. So you need to feel blessed.
And I think this onion is setting up beautifully because we broke those lows, we grabbed liquidity. If we close onion now at 9:30, it's looking very, very nice.
If I hear something about an onion again, I'm closing the stream, bro. Like, come on, give me a breakout with an onion. I don't care about the onion, just give the breakout as well.
It's looking so clean, like breaking the lows, and now we come back up, break the highs, close onion for 9:30.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Like we tapped just at that 15 support. If you guys look at the 15,
yeah,
it looks so good.
And Malaka, every time I read the onion so good, I'm like, why don't you take it? But I'm waiting for me to build data. Like I read that onion, like that onion I would take. if we get it. But, like, I can't break my plan now. I need to do it professionally. I need to gather up data more.
Of course. You don't want to just break your plan just because you see me or someone else. Like, I don't take your trades because I haven't back tested them myself or anything. I see it work for you, and I'm happy it works for you, but I'm not gonna just jump in and start taking them as well. Because
yeah, it's not about that for me. It's about, because like if you copy my trades, you don't need to backtest my strategy because I did it for you. So you can be like, okay, I trust Alex. But even if you trust Alex and you copy trade me, you might take a loss. And this loss might get you not to execute the next trade which I'm gonna take. I'm gonna make my loss back plus profit, and you are gonna stay there with your loss. So
yeah, true.
If you follow a strategy, you need to follow it 100%. So for me, taking that onion now, that onion might become a loss, but this is an A+ onion. So the next onion, I might not have capital to take it, and you guys might make your money back plus profit, and I'm gonna lose on that profit. I'm gonna be like, oh, this strategy doesn't work. Exactly. And it's not the strategy, it's the trader, you know, like you need to follow it 100%.
Between copying and understanding the trade and the playbook. Like,
yeah,
I could easily copy trade Alex, but if I don't understand his probabilities and I don't understand it fully, I won't be able to capitalize off the playbook as how he is.
Exactly.
If I were to take the same trade as him, I would react differently. I would have different emotions to this trade. Maybe I wouldn't even be fully confident in the trade playing out because I don't understand.
And you don't have data to prove it to yourself. You don't have data to prove it because every time my trade goes into drawdown, let's say my trade goes, you remember the trade we got with Zyper Live? I got one away from stops.
Yeah.
And then it tapped full target.
Mm-hmm.
To me also, I'm a human, I'm not a robot. You mean when price was approaching my stop loss, I was like, okay, this might hit stops, you know?
Yeah.
But I don't care because I know that 85% of the times I win. So that's why I stayed composed. But for you, which you are new to the strategy, you might copy trade. You remember, like, you might be, oh, this thing is I'm gonna lose money, I'm gonna close now. And you might took a loss where I got a win. So every management is very personal, every trade management. Like, you need data to prove it to yourself, because if you had data, you would say to yourself, like, okay, Ed, I might be afraid now, but I know the probability. So even if that's a loss, I don't care. This is why the pros say, like, don't focus on psychology so much. Focus on your data and have data to prove your strategy to yourself.
And it's going to strengthen your psychology. It's going to give you that confidence that you.
Yeah, so basically psychology gets out of the equation, because if you do all these steps, you don't care about you feeling scared about the trade.
Like,
because I'm scared that this trade might hit stops, but I know that if I take this trade 100 times, I'm gonna make profit. So why bother about the loss? Why even bother? You know, why even think about being scared? You know.
Yeah, that's true. I stopped taking all the trades Nick took back in the days. I used to copy him pretty much 100%, and then I stopped taking all the trades I didn't understand.
Yeah.
And that made me understand the trades better, because if I only took the trades I understood why I take them, that made me so much more profitable, instead of throwing myself into some trades I don't even understand and why. And if I took the trades I did not understand and they took me out on stop loss, I would have pretty much smashed my head into a wall, because I didn't even understand why I took the loss, because I didn't understand why I even took the trade in the first place.
Yeah.
But that's a big thing. You need to understand the playbook, you need to understand the setups, you need to understand why you are taking the trades, so you understand why you took a loss. If you don't know how to do something right, how are you supposed to know if you are doing it wrong?
I agree. And it's like,
yeah,
if you don't understand the stuff, don't take it. Learn it first. You want to learn it.
And that's something so many YouTube trading gurus don't tell you.
Because they just want you to buy a course.
They tell you to not be emotional, follow the playbook and all that. But the thing is, most traders out there doesn't even have a playbook to follow. And when the mentor, the YouTuber they are following, tells you, look back on your trades and look at what went wrong. How am I supposed to know what went wrong if I didn't even know what's right?
Yeah.
So first step is that you need to create a playbook or find a playbook that someone else created, and if you need to understand the setups to be able to understand what went wrong. So if you don't know what's right, you will never know what's wrong.
Exactly.
That's what I'm gonna say.
And that's the thing, like if there always is something opposite to something else. Like if you don't know what good is, then you don't know what bad is.
Exactly.
Like how the hell would you know what good or bad is if you don't know how to distinguish them?
Yeah,
So,
and that,
yeah, that's what you need to learn. You need to learn. Okay, that's why for me as well in trading, I learned how the playbook worked before I started getting in. You know, because you can't just risk all of your money and then be like, you know what I mean, oh, this is not working, this person is a scam. But you're the reason why it's not working because you don't understand it.
exactly.
Yeah,
And that made me so angry back in the days when I only copy traded like Don Wu or Nick or someone, and they took a loss. I got so angry because I didn't even know why we took a loss or how to handle the loss, because I didn't even know the playbook yet. I didn't even know the setups.
Another thing as well is that in the beginning you don't feel like a loss is a good thing, but when you learn that the loss is a part of the strategy, you actually don't really feel any bad about the loss. You know, okay, this is a loss that was due. It should happen. This loss is, everything else looks good, right? The setup was beautiful. The market just didn't move my way. But
yeah, but you said something very, very clever there, Malaka. You need to know the strategy, and for you to get to know the strategy, it's difficult.
Yeah, exactly. You need to understand the strategy and then understand that losses are a part of the strategy. Like
but if you understand the strategy, you are gonna understand that okay, no strategy is 100% win rate, so of course I'm gonna lose. But if you don't know that, and if you don't know that, okay, this thing I'm doing has a 75% win rate, let's say. If you know you have 75% win rate, you know mathematically wise that you are gonna have 3.5 losses every 10 trades you take.
Yeah.
Okay, 2.5 losses, 3 losses, let's say.
Yeah.
So every 10 trades, you are gonna have 3 losses. So if you know that, next trade, if it's a loss, you know it's one of these 3 losses. But if you don't know your win rate and you know your strategy, then a loss might feel that, okay, Malaka, if I lose the next 10 trades, but if you know your strategy, you know that you can't lose the next 10 trades.
And the probability of that is very low.
Yeah, it can happen, of course, but it's very low. So you trade probabilities. So every time probabilities is in your favor, you just take the bet. This is what trading for me is, like understanding probabilities. When they are in your favor, take them. When they are not in your favor, just stay out. And this is how it flows with trading. Like it's...
What a juicer on gold as well. 15-minute no top weight. Let's see if the 30-minute is not gonna juice, and if we can pull back here and close above for the 9:30 onion.
I'd say if we close above.
You are looking good for this onion, guys.
Yeah. 41.33, because if you look back, the resistance to the left. If we close above there, it doesn't matter if you are already used so much, because 9:30 sheet code.
I think that like closing above 41.33 is fine, but if we close below 31.43 but still above 41.27, I'm still gonna take that.
Yeah, 100%. Just extra confirmation if we close above 33.
But if we close below, I would not take it.
Nah, and if we close weak, we should pretty much just
wait. And then maybe we could get the setup Alex is looking for. If it
Yeah.
goes below and then we create a resistance and then
Yeah,
goes
that's
back
gonna be a
above.
double trouble. This is basically what I draw before.
Yeah.
Let's see though. Malaka, gold heard us. It's gonna give a setup for both now. Look, just patience.
We just gotta wait, yeah. It's 90% waiting, man. You just gotta wait for the setup.
Yeah, it's 90% waiting and 10% executing, and all this 90% you need to just fight that temptation of you entering trades. You know, we are all tempted of entering trades.
There is no
Especially when you
temptation.
read the market good, you are tempted of taking trades because you understand the moves. So you're like, okay, why should I not take that?
Yeah, like sometimes you're like, gold looks good to go in this direction.
Exactly.
It goes in that direction, but you never get your entry point, so you can't enter in that
Exactly.
direction.
Exactly.
And I've tried back in the days, where it was like gold looks so good every time, 4 hour, daily, weekly, they all look good to go this direction. I enter, I get stopped out, and it continues in that direction, but my entry was off.
Exactly.
I remember these times because you used to enter on the 4 hour.
Yeah, and stops would be huge, and I couldn't afford those stops. So
That's why we have a
the
playbook
entry
setup.
is so important.
Yeah, entry and setup is very important.
Yeah.
And you just learn from those. Like I learned from that. You know what I mean? Like I learned from those mistakes, and we grow. Man. Like look at how far we've come from back then. It's
Yeah, bro.
crazy.
Like, and that time was last year. It was not like 10 years
yeah,
back.
it was last year.
I remember
crazy,
you
man.
trading like that last year. The way you evolved.
The way like you made your own complete strategy, which is crazy as well.
Yeah, I'm like blessings on that, bro. Like it was, bro. For me, I did nothing. It was only God, bro. Like God just gave me a message. I just like one random Sunday morning, I probably downloaded a message from the universe, Malaka.
Yeah.
Because I woke up that day and everything clicked on my head without me thinking about it. And I was like, oh, this clicks. I'm gonna go back test now. And I went straight out of the bed to the PC and I back test and I was like, bro, this works.
It's beautiful, man. It's
And I just,
beautiful-
prayed at this time, like, I was like, this is not by luck, like, because I was praying from the first day I went, I was introduced into trading. From the first day I was praying, I need to find my own strategy because I was learning from Raja and Raja had his own strategy. So I was like, I need to make my own strategy. I need to make my own. Finally, Malak, after 4 years. And the funny thing is that I came up with the simplest strategy after 4 years, Malak.
Yeah.
Like it's the simplest thing. I understood this thing back on day one, but I couldn't like do it.
Yeah, you couldn't make it like that back in the day. But it's good that we went through all of those stuff, because without going through that stuff, we probably wouldn't be where we are now.
And for me, what I advise to I know you guys trade like Nick, so I don't advise that to you. I advise that to the guys that want their own strategy, because we might have viewers that they want to trade their own strategy like me. I wanted always my own strategy. For me, what helped a lot is I quit all the communities I was. I quit Nick, I quit Raj, I quit everyone. I was like, okay, I'm on my own now, because every time I had my strategy and I took a sell, and for example, Nick or Raja took a buy, I was like afraid because they are more experienced than me. So my setup went for a buy, but I didn't take it because these guys were on sells and I missed out the move. So I was like, I need to cut all the noise and I need to focus on my setup now without me knowing what other traders are doing. And that's why I took the time of trading of Discord and stuff, because I wanted some personal time to feel like, okay, if that's a win or a loss, like it's fully on my own, fully, like 100%. And this is what I advise a lot of people doing, like cut off the noise. Just don't be affected if I say that this is gonna be a sell. If your setup shows a buy, then go ahead and take your buy. Like probability-wise, your strategy, you might be correct for your strategy. You need to follow your plan.
Yeah, 100%. If
Because
everybody
many times
takes
I
a
did that.
sell,
Yeah,
if everybody takes a sell and your playbook tells you to take a buy, take a buy.
exactly,
Take a
exactly.
buy. Doesn't matter.
Say bye bye.
Don't get affected, Malek.
Yeah.
We have 6 minutes left for this candle to close. I like how we're not pumping, we're not bleeding, we're just ranging.
Bro, we can't bleed, Malaka. We have too many rejections to bleed. I'm gonna be surprised if we see a bleeder here.
But I'm happy that we're not moving anything crazy right now. And then we get that closure above, and then we get the volume kicking.
Yeah, although it would be nice for you guys to take an onion because it's a 430, it's NYC now on the next candle, but
that's the thing.
And if we close below 41.21, I believe 930 should be able to push us further down. I don't want to see it. I want to see it push up. I love to trade in the void. I really love it. but if we push down, I can see us tap into like 79 or something.
Yeah.
Oh, 79, yeah. With a weak fill for pretty much TP. But
Cyber Malaka, you're a first trader I know that loves all-time highs, bro.
I get it. I get it.
Yeah, I love them as well, but it's
so
not,
easy.
It's very rare for you. Like everyone says, all-time highs, no targets. I love all-time highs, but I don't know. It makes sense also why you don't like all-time highs. Like it's.
I used to not like all-time highs.
I remember,
after learning this cheat code with the onion, all-time highs isn't that bad after all.
No, bro, all-time highs, it's very easy because, you know, gold is rallying at the, like, we are all-time highs, we are rallying now, so why don't take a buy?
Yeah.
Why do you need a target on the left to take a buy? Just take a buy and close at 30 pips, 20 pips.
1,000 pips.
2,000 pips, I don't care.
A million pips.
Just don't close ever, just buy and hold for your lifetime. That's even better. Just open a personal account, spot position, not leverage, and just buy gold and just hold it for your lifetime.
Leverage it right now and get sniper entry.
Sell. All-time low. Now my sandwich turned up.
Oh man, like I'm getting hungrier and hungrier. What is that sandwich having in?
Yeah, it's home-baked bread with some cheese and some black pepper, salt, and lots of garlic.
Oh, Malaga, you said the magic word, cheese and garlic,
the only thing missing is the ham, but
yo, bro, if it has cheese and garlic, it's perfect. You don't need anything else.
You know what would be good? Steak on top of that, like a steak sandwich.
The best thing about it, it's home baked bread. My wife bakes it, so
yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, no chemicals or
no chemicals in the bread.
Yeah.
Your wife knows how to do that stuff, Malaka. I'm gonna bring my girlfriend in your house, and your wife is gonna teach my girlfriend, Malaka.
Yeah, I told my girl to learn all about it because.
Wow, Malaka, that's amazing.
And she does it pretty much every time now. We don't buy bread from the store anymore. I mean, this bread you can make like, you know, the full bag of bread for like 1 cent or 25 cents. Yeah,
of course.
Yeah.
Maria, if you are in the chat,
healthier.
Be prepared, Malaga. When we go to Sweden, we are gonna have vacation. You are gonna have a coaching lesson.
Yeah, 100%.
2 minutes.
Oh, hot.
2 minutos.
Two minutos.
Mm.
Let's see.
2 minutos.
It's crunchy.
Oh, I love crunchy bread.
Yeah.
I love my bread like crunchy. I don't like it like completely soft. I like it.
Yeah,
like
same.
crunchy
Crunchy outside and soft in the
Yeah.
middle.
I like my bread like I love my wife. A little bit chewy. Nah, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, they're crunchy.
I take that back.
1 minute and we're right now above. Let's see.
This setup looks chewy though, Malaga. I would take it.
Yeah, 100%.
The chewy setup. Can we get it? I'm what are the stops gonna be if we get the bottom?
What are you waiting for? This candle to close above the resistance we have on the left?
No, the support.
Only the support.
If we close above 70, no, 27.
Yeah, 27.
Yeah. Thing is, we don't close very strong bullish.
Okay, Malakas, I have an important question which
9:30.
I used to struggle to understand Nick as well. Like, this is a very important question, like focus.
Okay.
Why now you don't pay attention to that resistance to the left, 4133, but sometimes you are gonna pay? Like, I don't understand when you are not and when you are. Like, this to me doesn't make sense till now, man. Like, I still
because
didn't Nick on that.
930 is a cheat code. You pretty much don't have to look at resistance or support the same way anymore.
But if that trade was like half an hour away, like from NYC, you would take that into consideration.
Yeah, then I would have waited.
The volume clears those mini resistance, because I would say there's like a mini resistance there. I wouldn't really call it any.
Yeah, like for my strategy, I don't even look at it, but I know that you are like looking at it, so I don't understand
when. To the left, but.
So the only way for you not to look at the left is when it's 4:30, like NYC opening.
High volume.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. 9:30 is the only.
If it was a session open, like let's say London open and when NY open, would you take it?
Well, I would have been taking this because it depends on how big you have the range. But 9:30 pretty much. That doesn't. I don't care about this because if you look at the 1 hour chart, that is just wicks. Only wicks. There is no resistance.
Yeah, there's no resistance. Yeah, exactly.
So, and on the 4 hour, it's no resistance either. So it's only on the 30 and the 15.
Yeah.
You can look at it, take it into consideration, but 9:30, I don't really care about any resistances or supports.
Okay.
If we have a setup, of course.
So it's basically volume.
Yeah.
And
now we closed below. Yeah. So I wouldn't execute on this, but you can take impulse setup on the break of this new candle to fill the 30 wick.
Yeah.
But
I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, I would have waited.
Because we might see the double trouble here, and you get also an onion, and I get the breakout here. Yeah. Let's see if this candle closes bearish now, and the next candle closes bullish. I'm both them.
Yeah. So look at this. If I would have been taking this impulse buy now from inside of the range, I have to bank all my profits on the volume of 9:30. It might work out, but I don't know.
This is a trade I'm not gonna take because we're close to the
me neither.
It could easily play out as it's doing right now, but
yeah,
I'm have no fear at all of being out of here. I'm happy to be out. I'd rather be out of this trade than be in it right now.
Yeah, same. You can take this trade.
Remember, Malaka, my trade from before the plan. Just clip that again.
Yeah, follow the plan.
The plan is starting play out. First step of the plan is played out. Let's wait for the second.
Yeah, go to the 15. You see a new range. So what I would have done now is wait for the closure above. Yeah,
50. Yeah, 50 breakout. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking money.
Yeah, it's looking very good.
And that's also 9:30 candle, but at 9:45. Yeah. So if we break out at 9:45, that's a good breakout.
We love them 9:45 trades.
Yeah, 100%. So if we can't get a good setup in 9:30, just wait for 9:45.
sir. We gotta wait.
Oh, but the hyper dog is back. Oh, wait. Oh, like,
Did you order food, Alex?
not yet, bro. I'm
you
thinking of
thinking about
fasting.
getting?
I'm thinking of waiting my girlfriend to come and fast till that time.
Alright.
Because fasting is also important. And
We fast together.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
muted the mic so I don't crunch in your ears.
I don't mind a little bit of ASMR.
no, Malaka, like mute your mic. If I hear crunch now, I'm gonna come and grab your food.
Okay, listen to this now.
I'm too hungry.
I don't
Thank
mind
God you
ASMR.
have a studio mic and it doesn't grab background noise, Malaka.
Didn't you hear that?
No,
Nah,
you're
nothing. Bro. Your mic is very good. It won't catch it.
Yeah. He's gonna turn off the settings.
He's gonna put his bad mic on now, just for that.
So you didn't hear anything.
No,
I put my mouth like 1 centimeter away from the mic.
Nothing, bro. Nothing.
Damn,
Yeah.
good mic.
You have a good mic.
I didn't even know that.
Like, all we can hear is you speak. We can't hear anything else.
Okay, then I can eat in
Peace.
privacy. Yeah, in peace. Yeah. Without having to mute. So cheesy.
So the cheese bowl. Garlic.
Malaka, Dennis is so fast. He already made the reel.
Oh, Malaka.
Dennis, you
The
are
stream
amazing.
is even over.
Dennis,
My
you are
God.
amazing.
He's faster than the Flash.
Yeah, send it. I'm gonna
So,
watch it.
Malakas, anyone who is thinking about starting a stream, just hit this guy up, Malaka, the best moderator in the YouTube industry. But,
$20 an hour.
yeah, 50 an hour. 50 per second, Malaka, he
Yeah,
deserves.
per minute.
Do
What
you
do you
guys
mean?
get paid? I do this for free.
I get paid for streaming on YouTube. No, I'm just...
I have to pay to be here.
Pay the fee.
Pay the 50K account.
Everyone,
bro.
Everyone watching the stream has to pay. No.
Anyone who is so much privileged to found trading webs, just buy an account.
Anyone who thinks about us has to pay. You gotta pay the fee. If our stream pops up on your recommended page, you gotta pay.
And that's why I'm here. Just popped up and now I'm here.
8 minutes left.
Okay, so we transfer. Ed, you know we transfer.
Yeah. That's when I send in files and stuff.
Yeah, this is what we are using to send the reels in order for them to be at the highest quality possible.
Nice.
Almost like a police chase outside my house.
So yeah, chat, I closed you above here in a 15-minute. We could see a nice 15 breakout here to take some more buys.
Yeah, chat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bro,
All we
the
need
chat is
is,
not the chat, Malaka, it's the tribe.
The tribe. Let's go, tribe. We are tribal. We are primal. Malaka, soon, what we should do is we should change the setup to where we're in like a jungle.
Yeah.
We have our monitor outside.
We should buy a cabin in the woods in like Africa or something, and we should all sit in the same room and trade.
Instead of having dogs, we have tigers.
Yeah, and then we go out and hunt for some coconuts.
We hunt while we wait for the cattle to close.
I will happily do that, but not in Africa, Malaka.
Okay, we go to
Sweet.
We can go, you can come to Greece to do that.
yeah.
Or we can go to the French Polynesia.
We have this tree house.
Or we can go to America, Samoa.
Or Malaka, Ed, if you want to provide for the
Let's
family,
come
we
to
can
Hawaii.
go to Hawaii, Malaka. That's my dream place.
Yeah.
We go to Hawaii. There in Hawaii, they hunt boar. They hunt a lot of boar.
Hawaii is my bucket list, man. Like, I wanna go dive with sharks there.
Alright, chat, I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick, and then let's see if we can get a closure about it. 5 minutes.
Let's go. So the thing is, if gold waits, all we need is a small bottom weight, tapping back to the range.
Yeah, it looks good, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
If this 15 minutes was the 30, this is exactly what I'm waiting for the 30.
That's exactly what you.
Yeah, exactly what I want to
right out. Yeah.
But I understand because sometimes, because I'm waiting for the 30, which is strong information, the 15 might do the move, so I might miss the move. So I understand that, but
yeah. Especially in high volume time.
Yeah, fully.
So if gold can wait on us for like 5 more minutes, let's go.
Yeah, let's see if it shoots up now. Like it's close at breaking the highs.
Gold will wait.
Yeah, gold is gonna wait, bro. We know gold.
No doubt about it.
Even if we get a steep top wick on this candle, we have a wick to fill too, so it's pretty much a win anyway.
Win-win situation.
Yeah, based on the 15.
But we want to see a closure with a decent top wick here.
Yeah. Oh, we gone.
Nah.
We gone!
We have a chance.
Oh my God, that was loud.
Be gone, gold. Be gone. Go away.
You need to put out the rockets. Keep him down.
Rocket crash. It's time for the rocket to crash on gold.
Keep him down.
I gotta find the rocket. Rocket time. What you know about the rocket? The rocket. Stay away, gold. Stay away from the rocket.
But like a weak transfer app for iPhone is probably the worst app I've seen in the whole iPhone.
Putting out the rocket too.
Oh no.
We need a big rocket.
We need a bigger rocket than this. Alex, we need your rocket.
To the downside though, eh?
Yeah, we needed to pull back, but like...
Wait, I'm putting it, bro. I'm putting it fast.
Yeah, I have a big rocket. Look at the Zoom chat.
Oh, Malaka, look at that rocket.
Yeah.
That rocket has already landed.
The rocket is placed. The only thing we need to do is to show the rocket the direction. So rocket, you need to go down, okay?
Down.
So the rocket is fine. How much time you have for closure?
2 minutes.
Plenty of time, bro. The rocket's gonna crash triple.
Don't worry, like the rocket will always play out in the end. Always. The rocket strat never failed.
Oh my God, what an app, bro. What is that app? Come on. I'm signing in and it says then it's asked me to sign in again. Then I'm signing in and it's asked me again. Like,
what's it like with NVIDIA when you were trying to log in and it signed you out?
It's a loop.
Yeah. And it's crazy how like a little USB can hold so much storage. Like a little tiny thing.
Something went wrong. Yeah. I need you to fix that something though up.
The app went wrong. Well, I don't think we're gonna get that closure here, chat. So now we just gotta wait.
No, bro. Believe the rocket.
The rocket.
Lizard, no trouble. Okay, I downloaded it. It says now. Where is it gone? Nowhere to be found. Oh my, like I'm gonna do it from my PC. Like, what's that? Rocket! What are you doing?
Rocket is not crashing.
Calm down. Calm down.
Rocket is flying backwards.
Calm down, Rocket. Oh.
But now what we can do is we can just wait. We just wait now.
Wait for pullback. That impulse buy would have played out nicely.
Yeah, on the break up to 30 highs.
Yeah.
But I already made more than enough today, so like, I'm completely fine. Like I made 583 on one account. Like that's more than enough. Like what more can you ask for, you know?
Oh. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Perfect. Good, I switched mics again. Edma, like if you buy the same mic, buy the bundle with two mics, not with one.
Why?
One receiver and two mics, not one receiver and one mic.
So I can charge while you use the other one?
Yeah, exactly, because we are streaming for long hours, so
Yeah, makes sense.
sometimes you might stream for London, then you might forget to charge it, and then you come to NY, you have no mic. This candle is pulling back, Malaka. The rocket is working.
It's working at the wrong
Look
time.
at this.
Let's
you're
see.
waiting for the 15, Malaga.
But let's see here. It's all good. We're gonna wait and see what.
Off, Malaga. If this breakout was the 30, bro, you know, I would have a limit here. Come on, gold. You can still close bearish.
There's also the 4-hour about to close in 12 minutes.
Yeah, we have the 4-hour closure.
What will the 4-hour want to do?
Like if the 4-hour close inside the range, I think we're gonna see like a ping pong range thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
No direction. If this candle closes within the range, there is no direction for me on the market.
No, I think the last move for us is the only on the retest.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trading till 7 o'clock my time, so I have time for setups. But
Yeah.
Yeah,
For
I don't
now,
trade
it's-
that long for gold.
yeah, I know.
Only on certain occasions to where like volume might be.
Every time volume is there, like at 6 o'clock my time, 5 o'clock your time is full volume time for gold. I've seen crazy moves playing out this time.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Probably I don't like trading that time either.
Yeah, it's like you haven't seen it a lot, bro. It makes sense.
Yeah,
it's
it's
like
also
me. It's like what Zyper did before with pre-NY. This time is my worst, but I have like for my strategy, like there is volume in the market. If you know how to take advantage of that volume, you can trade that time as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, your strategy is way different, but not way different, but it makes sense that it works different times too.
Yeah, exactly. Because I need the full volume.
Yeah. I need to go to the store and buy some food later.
What you getting?
I don't know.
Getting some steak? Some meat?
Yeah, I hope. My wife, I'm gonna send in my wife so she can buy everything we need. I don't know anything about what we need. She gonna take care of her setup, and I take care of my setup.
You like to cook, Cypher?
Yeah, I love to cook.
Yeah, I love cooking, man.
Yeah.
Cooking is so nice. It's just the cleaning part I hate.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you're done cooking, you gotta clean up a lot of dishes. But
The
the
thing
cooking,
is, yeah.
like creating something and then being able to enjoy it later is nice.
Yeah, the saddest part about it is when you spend hours and hours to make food and it tastes like shit.
Yeah, if you fuck it up.
Yeah. So I've made some very nice food, but I messed up the taste so bad. Or I overcooked the meat or something. You know, you can't even eat it. You've been standing there cooking the food for like 2 hours, making it so great,
But then
and
you
it's
learn.
just whack. Yeah,
Next time, I do not do this or I don't do that.
yeah, 100%. Yeah, we need to stack up on the
You got
steaks.
your Rome speaking later today as well.
7, eh?
Yeah, 6, 7. Alright.
6 your time, 7 my time. 6, 7.
Yeah.
I think it's time.
Give me
game.
a sec. Ed, keep on the stream. I'm coming back in 2.
I think it's time for me to put on my game while we wait here. And
Put
then
on the game.
We're throwing on the game, chat. What do you guys want to see? We got For Honor, Marvel Rivals, or Predecessor? Which one do you want to see, Cypher?
Marvel Rivals. That sounds crazy. I love Marvel.
You like Marvel Rivals?
I love Marvel.
Okay. Have you never seen? Oh, actually, I can't stream that game. It bugs out when I stream it.
Oh,
Not bad, chat. I can only stream it on the Zoom, but then I'll take over Alex's chart. No,
do
no,
it.
no. Yeah, so it's gonna be For Honor or Predecessor.
I don't
Two
know.
games you don't know anything about.
I don't know about them games.
Let's do For Honor. Let's do For Honor. And let's try and switch it to the game scene.
The quality on your YouTube stream only goes up to 720.
Yeah, I don't know how to change that.
Yeah, I don't know too. If Alex stream is up to 1080.
I have to fix that.
Yeah.
Probably like something to do with the settings. But I
Yeah.
don't think I can change that during the stream. I think it has to be off.
Yeah, it is gonna be off the stream. I don't know how to change it too. When you set up the stream, it might pop up. I don't know.
Maybe. I don't know. You think it has something to do with bitrate? I'll have to search it up. I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
It's nothing bad. Nothing bad.
Yeah. Stuff like that we need to figure out off stream
Mm-hmm.
in a private session or something. As we talked about earlier.
Yeah. We'll figure it out.
I'm gonna take a quick sneak peek on the clubhouse, what they are doing. Nothing! They are doing nothing!
Nothing.
I'm so glad I took the Omnium in pre-New York.
Yeah, man. That onion in pre-New York was money. Now we don't have to think about anything. We already took our trade over there.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why I told him to start stream earlier. I know he have a different setup, but you trade more like me and Nick. So maybe if you start your stream at 12 or something.
Yeah,
you
I
know.
mean, if you're here, I'll
Yeah.
put it up for pre-NY.
100%, I'll join you. I mean, I always start my pre-New York at 12. It's the perfect time.
Ancestors, I beg you, forgive
And then we have some time to make analysis.
Yeah.
Talk about the markets.
All right. It's time to game. We
got the game on the chat.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can grab this. Change the size.
So what do we have here? What do we have? Nothing.
We have full
Yeah.
honor.
If we can close back in the range and the next counter closes above the range again, like an onion, the bias doesn't look so bad.
Man, Malaka, you might get this 1 hour onion now.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That too.
What a rejection on the 30 though, after breaking this high is what a rejection.
Yeah.
There's definitely volume in the market,
100%.
but indecisive volume. Like, I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour to give me direction. Like, if that 4 hour closes, like, I'm just gonna keep the 4 hour chart on and see. If it closes below, it's looking great.
Yeah.
Because you can take buys also if you close below, because you expect the 4 hour top wick. So, you can take advantage of both sides. But if you close in the range, like, it can ping pong in the range a lot, go up and down, up and down.
Yeah. Yeah, if we close below, we pretty much have a breakout on the 4 hour.
Yeah, and you know volume is gonna come after the breakout, but if you close inside,
Yeah, if we
don't
close,
trust this range.
yeah, if we close inside, we should pretty much end it.
Yeah, I'll call it a stream if we close back in the range in the 4 hour.
Yeah, makes sense, makes sense.
Yeah, the onion still doesn't look so bad, so I might give that a shot. But the 4 hour, if we close inside the range, we might just hover. Maybe get a small onion on 15 or something before we can move on. I don't know. But I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm already
you
locked
have the
out.
wins, bro. You are done.
Yeah, I'm maxed out. I can only make like $100 more today, so
Yeah, we're chilling.
I have to trade on my practice now just to have some fun. I'm addicted to trading.
Yeah,
Trading
exactly.
addict.
Trading addict, man.
Yeah, I'm addicted to trading, but I have to trade. I have to follow the rules though. On my
These
plan.
two addictions are fine. Trading and gym. Keep addiction. After 2 minutes for this 4 hours, 3 minutes. Let's see.
We close something just like this.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's not on the 4 hour though, but on the 15. And then we can wait maybe one more 15.
Round 3.
If not, I might have to call it and go.
Yeah, makes sense, bro. Everyone's gonna call it. Me, I'm gonna wait my setup like an hour, but I'm gonna call it as well in an hour. If we see that closing.
Yeah, depends on the close now. I'm gonna wait one more 15 a bit.
Yeah.
And I need to go to the store and buy some food, so my wife can be happy today.
You're gonna go in the town 10 minutes away from you, or like in a...
Yeah.
It's further.
No, it's the town 10 minutes away. It's a small city.
Perfect, Malaka. So you have a small village with food and stuff there, so you're chilling.
nice.
You
Yeah,
don't even need to drive far.
exactly. So we have pretty much all the stores.
Malaka, if I lived at your place, Malaka, I would run like every day. Like, do you run, Malaka?
No, I don't like to run.
Malaka, I would take my dogs and run like.
I go to the gym so I can look big, but I want to start running, but I just don't do it. I don't know why. I love to run, but you know I used to smoke back in the days for 10 years, and that made me not want to run because you know, if you smoke cigarettes, and try
Yeah, I
and
smoke
run,
as well.
yeah, it feels like you're gonna die.
Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good.
So I quit smoking like almost 3 years ago. So I have been thinking about start running.
Do you use nicotine pouches now?
Yeah, I have snooze.
Yeah, I see them at your desk.
Of course I have. So I'm not gonna quit nicotine, but smoking is really bad for you.
Yeah, I wanna quit smoking by the end of the year. I'm gonna quit as well. I feel stupid, Malaka, for smoking.
Cyber, how long were you addicted to smoking for? 10 years?
10 years.
Yeah, pretty much. I started smoking when I was 11,
Damn.
and I quit smoking pretty much 6 months after my daughter, my first kid,
Yeah,
was born.
firstborn.
So I think I smoked for around 12 years. But I always say 10 years because the first 2 years of smoking, you know, you don't smoke really. You just try it out for a few years until you actually start smoking full time. So full time I smoked for like 10 years. And then I just quit. Bang. Just like that. And people
Malaka,
who...
how old did you start smoking?
11.
Oh, Malaka, 11.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I was hanging out with the wrong
Round
people,
1.
pretty much. So,
Malaka, 11 years old, I didn't even know what hanging out with people was.
bro, I haven't even quit playing with Lego, or you know, play with toys. I didn't even quit play with toys, and I start smoking, and you know, smoking turned into other stuff and more stuff, and became, you know, a bad habit. Bad people turn you into another bad people. You know, you become one of the
Of course.
5 people you hang around with. So.
It's like the saying, Malaka, hang out with stupid people, become the fifth
Exactly.
one. Hang out with 4
Yeah.
like clever guys, become the fifth one. You know, like.
Exactly, and now I'm a full-grown man with 3 kids, trading pretty much full time. I have a beautiful life. I stopped smoking and all that. I go to the gym all the time. I eat clean. I drink clean. I don't even drink much alcohol anymore. Last time I drank some beer, pretty much almost 3 months ago now. So, but I will not stop drinking alcohol. I love beer, but not so much. I will not drink as much as I used to. It's not worth it. So, yeah, but it's a fun thing if you have tried it all and you changed, got out of it.
But crazy that you evolved so much, Malaka, from 11 to 21 and you stopped smoking.
Yeah, now I'm 26.
Congrats, Malaka. I'm 30 and I'm still smoking. This is my last year of smoking, though. I'm quitting.
Are you vaping or are you smoking cigarettes?
I'm smoking IQOS, you know, like cigarette, like it's in the middle, like not cigarettes. I used to smoke cigarettes, but I smoke IQOS now. It's it's a device that heats up the tobacco, so it's not basically vape, but it's not smoke as well. It's like
it's like that small stick. Pretty much, you click on the bottom and it heats up some oil inside. No.
No, it's tobacco. It's probably tobacco.
Okay. Yeah, you should start snooze. It's
no, I'm gonna quit everything, bro. I'm gonna quit everything.
Yeah, that's the best.
I'm sick
way.
of it.
But if you can't stop, if you need help stopping, I recommend this nicotine bags.
I'm happy I never got into any of that.
Yeah.
100%. It's just stupid.
I used to smoke a lot of weed though, Zyper. I quit weed. Like I used to be 150 kilos 2 years back, smoking like 5 grams per weed per day.
Yeah.
I was like very heavy smoking weed.
Yeah. Same.
Again, with the wrong people and stuff, you know how it goes. But at some point, I got sick of myself and I was like, I'm gonna lose the kilos. I lost 50 kilos. I quit weed, so I want to quit cigarettes as well.
Yeah. That's
We
crazy.
need to involve more. Like, and 4-hour closure is ugly. Like, what is that?
Pretty much ugly. So my wife texted me. She don't want to go and go to the store, so we'll do it tomorrow.
No,
But it's fine. It's fine by me.
Tell her you do today because price action is ugly. Tomorrow is gonna be beautiful.
Yeah, but tomorrow she gonna go in by herself anyway, so she gonna take the kid to some doctor thing
Ah, okay.
and go to the store same time, so I don't even have to worry about it. I love my wife. She makes my day better.
Round 2.
She just takes care of me like I'm her own son. I mean, we have a set enclosure, but the thing is we have no range to go up
Yeah,
to.
I don't like it's like I will trade the 30 if I see a setup, but this 4 hour in no direction. Like I don't know where price gonna go.
But this breakout kinda on the 15, we had this big pullback that would have tapped you in, but I understand why you didn't take this trade because we already pretty much filled the whole range. So
No, it's not that. It's like I'm not trading the 15 and I'm not even looking at the 15. If that was the 30, that would be the perfect trade. But 15,
okay.
I'm not taking it at all. Like
so you're basing your trades always on the 30.
always. Like
Okay.
I have no data on the 15 yet. I'm collecting data on the 15 also on high volume times, but till now only the 30.
Yeah, makes sense.
Like the 15 even, like 15 I only watch it because you guys watch it. I don't even have it in my favorite time. I don't even watch it.
So if this 15, let's say it's the 30, will you have executed on this if it was the 30? The way it looks on the 15.
What? Say again? Sorry, I missed it.
Yeah.
Say again.
If this 15
Yeah.
was on the 30,
Yeah.
would you have executed on it?
Yeah, fully.
So this is a playbook setup, but it's the wrong time.
Time frame, yeah. I want to see that
okay.
on the 15, but on the 30. But for now, because in high volume times, I've seen that I miss a lot of trades due to volume, and the 15 plays out.
Yeah.
So in the future, I'm collecting data, and I might add 15-minute time frame to like NYC volume, like this volume times. you know, like, But no data for me to be able to answer to you like now.
Yeah.
So I don't trade the 15, I trade over the 30.
Yeah. But if it looked just like this on the 30, this would have been a perfect setup, pretty much.
Yeah, exactly.
Round 1.
Nice. So what's the plan, boys? It's only Tuesday.
Chilling, bro.
I'm gonna start getting ready for my vacation.
You're going up north tomorrow, right?
Yep.
Nice. You're gonna trade something tomorrow or no?
Yeah, I'll be trading on the train.
Okay. What time do you leave?
7 in the morning.
So you guys gonna stream from the train, we're gonna hear like...
He's not going to Hogwarts, bro.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be like a 4-hour train ride, so I'm just gonna be
Round 2.
chilling in there trading.
Yeah, don't you have like a driver license or something? A car or...
Yeah, I do, but I don't have a car.
Man, it's such a freedom to even have the privilege to have a car.
Yeah, I agree.
Jump in the car and just drive. It's crazy good.
Victory! Round 3.
Ah, crazy.
Defeat.
Hello. Ooh. Ooh. Oh shit. Let's go.
Round 4.
The camera's very big, so you'll be able to be spotted if you go on bed.
Round 4.
Come on. Boom.
We're playing the game again.
Yeah, man, I'll get this guy. The guy I'm playing against is annoying. Ah, he got me.
Defeat.
PM Magnifico, malakas, I forgot to shoot the chat.
Yeah, Magnifico!
Oh, what the hell? My camera has been off this whole time.
Such a beautiful 30 onion, yeah, bro.
Did my,
You took it.
did my phone turn off? I did. My phone ran out of battery, that's why.
Ah, PM no entries, malaka, because of the 15, yeah, makes sense. But price is, I don't feel it's gonna give us anything today. I'm looking for the buys of
I got
both,
microwave it.
but
Yeah, I see nothing on the chart here for me.
30, the only on the 30 I think it was not strong enough.
Nah.
And it closed pretty much below the range too.
So, organic chicken.
I think
27.
it says Urkel cooling and stuff.
Yes.
They don't hate cooling.
Put this in
Better
the
stay
sink
out.
over there. Not that sink, but the other one. Other one. Yeah.
better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Imagine we get this breakout now above 250 pip stops. Ah,
No way you're
this
taking
range
that.
is gonna become smaller anytime soon, or
I hope it gets bigger. No.
should we just ask for more capital from Top Step? I'm gonna be like 50k is not enough with these ranges. Give me
You
another.
gotta buy
50K.
100k then. You gotta
Yeah,
increase.
Malaka. 50k
But
is small for these ranges.
If we can get a new support,
Make
up
everything in
there.
your refrigerator today.
would you have?
You won't be here.
Yeah, like
interested.
if we close bullish and then we close bearish and bullish,
Yeah.
like if we close bearish and then bullish above, yeah, fully interested, bro.
Okay.
Fully interested.
Yeah, we have very clean range above, and I believe we should come up and smash all-time highs again, again and again and again and again.
Yeah, 4 hours is very indecisive, bro. I don't know. We're gonna see today, but look at this candle, like,
Yeah.
Round 1.
I'm fully convinced we can make it to 5k on gold, 100%.
yeah, by the end of the year.
Yeah, at least. We're pretty much 20% there. From 4k, we are already at 4,200. So we're pretty much already 20% there.
Highest peak of the price is 4191.7.
Yeah. So we're pretty much 19% to the 5,000 mark from 4k. Isn't it crazy?
And
We
they
start-
like gold,
Yeah.
Malaka, imagine 4,000 is gonna be cheap in 15 years. Imagine
Yeah.
where gold's gonna go.
Round
Imagine,
2.
imagine now being a grandpa 80 years old and you bought
gonna be at
gold
100K.
for like $200.
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't it crazy?
That's why the good thing is always you invest and you never sell, Malaka. Like if you invest in gold, invest in silver, invest in some stocks, and
Yeah.
just DCA onto them every time, and then just
Victory.
basically leave out of your investments, never sell,
Yeah.
just take profits.
Imagine we pretty much started trading at like 1600 or something. It's crazy.
Round 3.
Ed, when did we start watching Nick? Like gold was at 2000, right?
Yeah, 2000.
We remember Nick saying, oh, this 2000 range is too strong. Do you remember this monthly time frame, Malak? Oh,
Yeah, we smashed 2k like 3 times before we took off. And everybody was convinced we would like fly up to like 2500 and then dump down when Donald Trump became president again. I've never seen it tap to back to 2k since then. Crazy.
Gold went more down when he got elected.
Yeah.
If I see gold at 2k now, I'm buying all my money. It's a discount.
But would you buy it at 2K if they found like a bunch of gold somewhere? Because there would be a reason why the price would decrease.
Yeah, I would buy silver though.
I would just buy Bitcoin. The BTC.
Yeah, BTC is a good in
Bitcoin is like the digital gold.
Yeah.
yeah, it's starting to become like one, at least.
Because it's a limited resource and there will never ever be more of it.
Yeah, that's true. Demand is not gonna be scarce. Hey, supply is not gonna be scarce. Demand is though.
Yeah.
I think we have more gold underneath us than we think.
Probably.
Yeah, so if we discover some big gold mine or something, gold should drop, but I don't think we are looking for gold anymore. Really. I mean,
At
gold.
gold's price right now, I would be looking for gold like crazy.
Yeah. But I mean, what can you use gold for except for like
Yeah, you can only use it to trade.
Pretty much.
Its value for the current price value.
Yeah, and it looks good, pretty much.
Okay.
But what can you use it for?
What gold?
Actually, yeah, actually.
You
What
can
can
use
you
it for
use
so
it
many
for?
stuff, bro. Gold. It has real use case scenario. A lot gold. From jewelry to construction to like has a lot of real applications.
Yeah, that's true. They use gold on like satellites and stuff too.
Yeah, exactly.
Am I
like,
wrong?
this
Oh
is
yeah, it's
why
also a
steel-
conductor of energy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So a
Yeah, that's
very
true.
good conductor of energy also.
Yeah.
That's true.
But
that's
also
true.
like this is why silver is gonna pump up, because now with all the
Yeah.
electrical cars and all the electricity demand that goes up, because we're trying to become eco-friendly and use electricity.
yeah.
Silver
Silver and
helps in the
copper.
batteries. Yeah, you know, batteries consist of silver, so like silver is gonna demand is gonna skyrocket in the next years. This is why they say that silver is gonna pump up as well.
Yeah.
And they say that it might pump up even more than gold. Like now the difference is massive, but in 10 years it's gonna be very close,
in the same bowl,
gold and silver.
No, don't eat some too.
but you don't want it mixed.
For me, it's gold, silver, and real estate. Like these three investments, and some Bitcoin.
I'm done cooking it. Good.
No stocks.
It's good for you because it's like liquid.
Man, what a whack price action today.
Yeah, full.
Pre-New York was the move.
Guys, I'm thinking of calling it a stream and go chill. There's no point
I
on me
agree.
waiting for now.
Yeah, same.
Because
Join
like
the
even if I see the breakout now, there's nothing for me. I need to see a breakout with the first support, so we need at least 1 hour and 30 minutes for the trade to play out. So I'm not gonna stream till 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
So we can call it a
Stream
stream and chill in Discord, and if we see something, take it there, and then we come back tomorrow for London.
Yeah,
See
London.
you guys next week.
Should be good. Peace.
The chat, the stream.
Next week, Malaka, it's Tuesday.
Yeah, next week.
He's going north. Up north.
Ah, Malaka, yeah, you are leaving tomorrow. I completely forgot. This guy is taking a trip tomorrow, Malaka.
So I will be gone off the stream, but I might be able to pull up for some of your guys' Zooms or whatever.
Yeah, you can pull up with in your Zoom with your phone.
Yeah.
Malaka.
Yeah, hang out.
So see you guys, and I'll see you guys in Discord.
Let's
See
go.
you, tribe. I'm gonna call it a stream as well. Thank you, Ed. Thank you, Zyper, for being here. Too much value today as
course.
well. Very good conversations.